Start recording. Alright, welcome everyone to the recording session for functional programming for the exam that is tomorrow. May God
True.
help us.
Yeah,
There
I
is
guess
no
we should
God
start with this
here.
one.
I think I'll actually be able to go. Bog.
Bog.
My
Suppose you've been
COVID's getting
invited to write
better.
an article for a professional computing magazine that benefits that pure functional programming brings to programmers. Give at least 5 benefits you would mention and illustrate each of the benefits with a small example written in Haskell. What the fuck is this for kind of question?
We're
Just
lazy
checking.
fucks. We don't like to do more work than we have to.
One,
Just checking.
no
Is this
side
the
effects.
exam that
Two,
has
lazy
grading
evaluation.
stuff?
No, it does not. I don't know. I want to do that one as well if we have time for
Okay.
it. So these are the exams, and I want to do this one and this one.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay.
So I think number one, lazy evaluation.
Lazy
We don't do
evaluation.
any computing that we don't need to.
Yeah. I'd say the readability is pretty good.
I know there are like some.
That's not like a pure.
Yeah, but it's not
that's-
programming.
Yeah.
It's
I
not.
know
That's
there's
not
many.
functional programming.
Station doesn't-
Aware of
Benefits that
specific,
I guess, yeah, pure
and
functional.
then like I guess I could give a code snippet of.
Proofs of correctness. I believe you can.
That's from Achta, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
can't
that's
you
not about.
gen-
That's not a pure
Yeah.
functional programming thing. That's an ACTA thing.
I guess. Whatever.
They're asking for like functional programming here now.
Okay.
So we have lazy evaluation. We have no side effects, allowing for easy testing.
True. Do you know why Haskell has no side effects though? Because no one will ever
For
run
easy
it.
testing. True.
How do you show a code example of explicit lack of something?
Just copy the has once again. Once code.
There
Fair.
we go. No side effects.
Okay.
Okay. What else?
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
I wouldn't say Haskell has. I would say functional programming has.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
As someone who's like watched a billion lectures on functional programming in my free time, I don't know this one.
Yeah,
Um,
same.
It's like it's a different style. It's not a better style.
Yeah.
Wait. There is less boilerplate code compared.
Yes. So I had a message from them. I think
But some people like Java.
Okay, and then hey.
I like C. I like C.
You can say that it is well, because functional programming is pretty strict type systems.
Does it have to?
Sorry, can you repeat
I
that?
don't- I'm
My,
not sure,
connection,
honestly.
dropped very
One thing you
briefly.
could say is having functions as like first level candidates or whatever the fuck they're called. Having functions as like types allows for
I did, yes.
easy iterations on loops.
I didn't go into specifics,
strict
but I said
type
that I
system.
felt it was completely inappropriate for
Which means
kind of Deloitte's environment.
there is a small.
It didn't seem. I didn't gain anything from that apart from.
There are
knowing how
less
stressed I
mistakes to
could
make
get.
for.
So I told them,
There are
yes,
less
it was stressful,
mistakes
but it
to
didn't
make
really
for
teach me
runtime
how to
exceptions.
deal with that stress or anything.
Sure. And then the last one
So-
could be
I just gave it
as once.
honest feedback without too many
Called it.
specifics.
And the
Well,
last
you
one.
want to add types to that? Come on.
One is 1:1 :
You do
left,
one.
yeah.
You do what? At the top, you do once colon equal. That's not how you do types.
I don't think that's valid.
So the last one I thought of was functional programming has types as a first has types as a or has functions as a type, allowing for easy iterations or easy methods on lists.
Extremely easy recursion.
The recursion isn't that easy, honestly.
Recursion is pretty normal.
Yeah.
Being able to
Well,
take
there's different
functions as
functions.
arguments is what makes it really good.
Yeah, I mean, I will say, like, you can also do it in Python and JavaScript and a bunch of other languages, but
That is
Yeah,
great.
it's a functional
that
concept.
is because they are that is
Yeah.
because they're implementing a functional concept.
Yes.
that's fair.
Java, for instance, didn't have that for like the longest time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't really gain much from it and didn't really understand why Deloitte felt it was
Um,
something that should be
Make a function
implemented.
add 1. Yeah.
But the other thing was,
And then use a map or
activity
something.
we were doing this client proposal
Yeah.
On the
was
ones.
completely irrelevant to the job I'm actually doing as well.
What?
So like the educational part of the event was a complete waste of
add
time.
one.
So the entire thing
X,
was
X,
nothing but a waste of my
in
time,
1 to 10.
which is kind of
I think this
which
is valid
kind of
syntax. Don't hold me on that.
I do not recall
I think
list
Uh,
expressions at all.
Yeah, that's correct. That is valid syntax.
Yeah, seems like it. Apart from the fact that once does not have a you
Oh,
have a
yeah,
defined once.
Oh yeah, and I also happen to find add one.
No,
I would
you
actually just make like a 2s or something.
no, bro. You gotta make add one equals x plus head once.
No.
No.
I love how
No,
one
what
is
was
all,
the-
Honestly, just
this-
make this
once is also no longer an array of ones, but fuck off.
Yeah. I would make that 2s and then just use ones with a map with add 1 to get 2s.
Okay, that's kind of
Nice. Multiple
Sounds
choice.
like a better example.
Which definition of concat directly confirms list into a single list? So we have z for each z in zs's. No, this is basically an identity function.
That is an identity function indeed.
Ooh. So this.
this thing though.
Wait. How many is it? Can I select more? I'll select one option. Okay. So this is how I would do it in
So the
Python.
second
Actually,
one.
I'm not sure if the
So the
order
second one
of
is
these
correct.
is correct.
However, the third one is incorrect because plus plus takes 2 arguments, so map gives 1. Concatel
Yeah.
is
So this
also
would-
Yeah,
this
the
would be-
second is correct. Second is correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
this
it's
one would be valid if you did a fold right and also passed
Fold
an empty
left.
array or fold left, whatever.
sure. Yeah.
And then
fold.
concat is concatel. This is just
Yeah,
a
no,
tail
that's-
command.
That's just bullshit. This is-
This is beautiful. This is bullshit.
This
Okay.
It's a
is
work
the
of
brand
art.
new weapon of mass destruction.
Which of the following equation is true for all list access?
Oh,
Access
I've seen this
plus
one.
plus the empty list is success. This does not. No, this
Well,
is just,
it's not an empty. It's a list of the empty
it's a
list.
list of containing the empty list. No, this would just access plus an element that is the empty list.
Yeah.
This is also not correct because
Yeah,
something colon
I
empty
agree.
list is equal to itself. This is also
So
this might be correct.
no,
though.
that would never compile because that would never compile.
Yeah.
So if access is a single element, there would be a colon empty list, and if access is not a single element, this is not valid syntax.
Oh, true. It's not a single element. Then yeah, okay, because for all lists, you're right. And then this.
No, yeah, but
last
even if it
one,
wasn't a
last
This
list,
one,
is
yeah, this
true.
one definitely is correct.
Yeah.
You take all the elements
Yeah.
inside of this list and you add it to all the elements inside of this list.
no,
Okay,
no,
yeah.
no, 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 no.
No,
You
no.
you
Take
take a
this
list
list
that
and-
consists of the list, and you take a list that consists of an empty element, and you get a list with 2 elements: the list and the empty list.
Yeah, so you take all the elements inside of this list, namely
access,
access, and then you take all the elements inside of this list, namely
Oh,
thing, and then you add them
yeah,
together.
sure, yeah, sure. Okay, that way.
I have saved all my answers. Which of the following equations does not hold for all functions foo? Map foo.reverse is reverse.map foo.
We wrote them down.
I hate the dot notation. Oh god, I think that one is right.
Yeah, dot notation is
like that
in
one.
Haskell is
Holds.
actually like scuffed.
Yeah.
Okay, it's as age as $sign notation. I'll fight you on that.
So there was a
Yeah.
lot of like,
Yeah, agreed.
Foo.drop
Take
n equal to
one.
drop n dot
I
foo.
think the bottom one. I think the bottom one for sure. Look at it. For like
Yeah,
a
that's
second.
So it was usually things like do some push-ups or
Yeah, that one's not function. That one doesn't hold.
stand against the wall.
Okay, give a
and
counter
stare
example.
into a corner for a minute. or
Counter example:
it was meant
x
to
equals
be
minus
like
x.
part things, but
True.
we would
Yeah,
choose
fair.
what to write as a group.
Um, Map food.
Because
content.
drop and take handle elements
Yeah,
in place and do not
elements
care
count.
what
It
the
doesn't
element
matter what
is.
the actual
So
content of the
Yes,
element is.
so the
Actually, you could
content is
argue that
check
all
them
these
off.
three don't actually interact with the content of the element for both
Okay.
reverse
yeah,
take and drop.
exactly. So
Whereas
they would
sort
never
does.
change it.
And because map can only, map is 1-to-1, you can create more elements
I
out of
think
one.
the ones we saw.
Oh, I love my
were
internet
people
at this
doing
point.
push-ups, people doing planking, where you've got to
hmm?
maintain
Motion
around
following.
staring into a corner, doing
0,
No.
1
jog
till
around
nest.
the
No.
Not
things
quite
like
correct.
that.
0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Yeah, 0, 1, 1, 1.
No, it's the bottom one.
Hmm?
That one.
Yeah.
No, this
So
is.
I think the fact.
No, that'll just give ones. That's ones.
Yeah,
Oh,
also.
I'm fucking clouding.
Wait.
No, wait, 0
is
dot
it?
dot.
No, wait,
Does
that is not.
doesn't
That
No,
count
it's not. It's nest that starts at 1.
yeah, it's not starting at
I mean,
one.
there was
Yeah,
Mm,
this
true.
is just
Then-
0.
That is probably the top
It
one.
is- it is the first one, it's the first one.
Yeah, 0.
Yeah, just
map,
by
0, 1.
method of elimination.
Base as fuck.
No, because that one takes each one, and then for every recursive step, it increases it by one.
Oh, yeah, because.
Mhm.
It maps it. So it maps +1, then +1 +1, +1 +1 +1,
Yeah,
so on
fair.
and so forth.
How
Quid
many
era
elements are there in the type
demonstrantus.
Vec Fintu 5. So it's a vector of numbers. That is.
Oh, it is Agda. So fin 2 is 0, 1, I believe. So there's like 2 elements that fit in there.
Yes.
So it's 5. So it's, I think that's like 2 to the
2 to
5.
Wait, why is.
5.
So 32.
Wait. Fin 2 is the amount of elements
So
in there,
you
right?
have 0, 0, 0,
Yeah.
0.
Yeah,
Is
because
that the case?
Finite.
the reason why we use fin is so that we cannot
No,
exceed
yeah,
it,
so
right?
fin
Yeah.
is a type fin 2 is a type consisting out of 0 and 1.
Event was called boot
So
camp.
the answer here is 32.
kind of has-
I agree.
So wait,
Well,
what's the vec notation?
Definition of fact.
Basically, think of this as a binary of length
Oh yeah.
5.
No,
The thing is, you're just wondering if that might be
and sorry,
the
my
size of the
connection
list,
dropped again,
not
so,
the contents of the list, because we don't know if
So
fact if the first argument of fact is the thing or not.
Wait, where the fuck?
Like punishments we could do. I think everyone kind
Oh,
of has
is
a
it-
certain image
is
in
it
their
week
mind
6?
of what that should entail.
It's fac an.
It's all very much a Hollywood style.
Yeah, it's
things
fac
that we
an.
expect to see,
So
like,
a
in
is
the
the
video. So everyone
So I the
Um,
type that it can be.
why people come up with that kind of thing.
from my very very quick look
Yeah,
at
yeah,
the
okay.
Agda
So
source
vec,
code. Yes.
whatever it can be in any amount.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so then
Which makes sense as well because it needs to be a compile time constant.
yeah, fair.
So
vec,
2 to the 5 is 32. I bet.
is it
I
gonna be,
love how Agda solves the halting problem by just going. I only compile if it halts.
yeah,
it,
sure.
it solves the halting problem in 01 by going. Is it an Agda program? If yes, halts.
Mm-hmm. Is it an octave? Given a list of values, some type A that influence the OR type class, the local extrema are the values that are either strictly bigger or smaller than the numbers immediately before or after them. The goal of this question is to implement 2 different versions of the local extrema function that returns a list of a local extrema, of the list of all local extrema on a given list. The first and last elements of the list are never considered to be local extrema. First, implemented
So-
using explicit pattern matches on list and recursion. Using
How to
guard-
figure out if an
Okay,
Agda problem
so-
halts? Does the programmer say that it halts? Okay, sure.
So what I would do here, no, if it doesn't halt, it's not an Agda program because it doesn't compile.
Yeah.
So what I would do here is, so wait, can we use pattern? Oh no, we have to use pattern matching. That
Yeah.
is annoying because I know how to do this using a list comprehension.
Sorry.
Yeah, I would do this in list
Um,
comprehension, but that's like gonna be in 3C.
Yeah.
So local extrema.
Okay, so we would have. Is
So
there a way to
eventually
get the
we'd
first
have-
2 elements from a list?
So eventually we will take x, y, z. X's is equal to
Yeah, I guess.
y, and then
Sorry, one other quick thing
Um,
was we also had.
and then I can let's say I can use if then else. So if I can say
like,
if
on the final day
y
of
is
this,
bigger than
New Guys
I'm gonna
Bootcamp,
mute my WhatsApp real
I
quick.
had the
I don't
email
want my
from them
fucking
saying
WhatsApp on there.
the private room that you paid extra for. you can't have.
Yoink.
So
Okay,
it's like already
if
in a
y
bad
is bigger than
headspace from the
x,
bootcamp, and then they told me that like this
And is
vacation
it two
I
ends
had to look
in
forward
the
to.
thing?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
To the point where
Y.
Definitely we also have to check for
Well,
local minimap,
Z.
just saying.
so it's like two very
Or
annoying
y is smaller
things
than
happening
x
at the same
and
time.
y is bigger than z, then y colon
That's what I did
Local
yesterday.
extrema.
I sent them a very angry email.
X.
and then emailed me back.
So the
y
problem is.
colon z colon x.
Oh yeah.
And they did. So
That,
I-
yeah, colon. Yeah, sure.
Local x.
Wait, why X? I mean, brother
Oh
Christ.
yeah,
you
yeah,
mean
yeah.
why
No.
Z?
I
My
was close.
brother in
I was close.
Christ. My brother in Christ. Always find your ex.
I was close.
Okay, I think this would work straight up.
Yes. If we had maybe base cases, perhaps.
Nah,
So
who cares about base cases?
if it's this, then it's true. If it's
If it's an empty list, then empty list. If it's two empty lists, then empty list. If it's three empty lists, then empty list.
no, not 1, 2, 3 empty list. Like also 2 elements is also not a valid thing to search from.
Yeah.
So
I guess empty
can I
list,
just
one
say
element empty list, two element empty list, and then
can
this.
I just say local extrema?
If anything
underscore
else is false.
Exactly.
Yeah,
No.
you could do that.
It needs to not be false. It needs to be an empty list.
Yeah.
Yeah, empty list. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it needs to return it. Yeah.
But you need to still add the element to the. Oh wait, you are. Yeah, never mind. You are.
No, it doesn't. Y colon.
Yeah, it does.
So
Yeah.
if
I
it's
just
it
missed
holds,
that.
then y
Yeah,
colon.
that's
Else
what
I
said
don't.
in my email.
Yeah, I just missed that.
Okay, so have a look at the test. What is prop 2?
Y has
Or
to be
what is
greater
test
than
two?
X
Yeah, I
and
was-
greater than C.
I mean, I was in a bad
You're
spot
currently
as to
checking
say
if they're in
that I
between,
emailed them,
not
I was,
extrema.
like, very
If y is
firm,
bigger than
but
x
fair,
and
like,
Yes.
oh yeah,
wasn't
that
free,
should be
but I
bigger
was
than
very
z.
strict.
Yeah, true.
Smaller
Broke the
than that.
contract. Give me my money back.
Yeah,
I'm
my
not
shit's
gonna-
fucked.
I'm wondering how any of these tests
Shit's
passed.
fucked, bro.
I mean,
Well,
I know
so
why
it's
this. I know why this.
probably
is false.
empty
Yeah,
list. Yeah.
Empty list.
Fair enough. Touché.
Knew it.
Right,
Mark
maar
completed.
completed.
Triplet
Completed.
computes the list of adjacent triplets in the list using library functions on list. It should not pattern match, list comprehension, or guard. Jesus Christ! Why do you want to be so fucking restricted?
Oh, that's
Fuck
funny.
you. Okay.
Kill issue.
So there, I know there's a window function, but I don't think I would be able to memorize that on the exam.
Well, we get a bunch of shit, right? We get
Do
like
we have do we have the whole Haskell documentation?
Yes.
yes. Not only that, we get like
Lovely.
a bunch of shit. Let me see.
You get a local instance of Google as well. You get an IDE. I mean,
Use that good old do statement, my friend.
I'll see if I will.
Um,
Yeah, here. So this is what I was looking for. Opening browser. You were allowed the following materials: physical book. For legal reasons, I have a physical book. A USB stick with slides. All the weekly
The book
exercises
if you
in the
want.
web lab together.
For legal reasons, do you have the book in a format that may fit on a USB? Very small form factor.
No,
I
for
think it's
legal
in
reasons,
the mega file.
Yeah,
no,
probably.
for
is.
legal reasons I don't. And then Ubuntu image with
Legally we don't, but illegally
and-
maybe.
no, I for legal reasons have a physical copy of the book. GHC 8AVS with
wait,
plugins and
wait,
locals.
I've got it.
Wait, give me a second to
Do
think
I
about this
actually?
more. So,
So
I would
yeah, because
my
you can
instinct
easily
would be
use
to use
take
list
3.
comprehension. Wait,
Which
I
is
can
not
say map.
You're not allowed list comprehension.
Yeah, but anything you can do with list comprehension, you can also do with functions.
Well, yes, of course.
So let's see. We start
Honestly,
with
I would
list
write a
1
list comprehension
to
and rewrite the list comprehension.
length access. Then we map
Minus 2 or minus 1. Minus 1, right?
no. This should be a 0, and this should be
Or no?
starts at 0, ends at length access, like -1. And then we map this where we take in what is this? Oh yeah, x into x plus 1 x plus 2. Oh, then I should. And then this should be.
Are you on mobile data?
+3.
Yes, I am.
Or
Why?
+2, I mean.
Mhm.
Okay.
Why?
Because my
I am
mobile
minus
data is
2.
chugging.
I mean, actually, can you just use zip3 actually?
Thank you.
Like using zip3 function, is that easier?
I have no clue what a zip tree is, but probably.
You
Wait,
I
Felix,
think
when did you show up?
like a bit while ago. Just I'm not talking.
Okay, so
It's
indices.
basically it give you pass when you start on Hugo. It's basically you pass 3 parameter and just return you a tuple of 3 basically.
I will check it after I finish my implementation because I wouldn't have thought of that
Sure.
for the thing. So because I know that indices is, you know, an element here, like all the elements within indices will be elements of the list. So then I can say we take x and then we transform that to. How do I get the first? Am I gonna make this one dirty ass fucking thing? I might.
Make it one dirty fuck.
All right. If you
Oh,
insist.
no.
All right, if you insist.
Fuck yeah, brother.
And that's my line. Okay, come in. You're here now. Gezellig. Grab a chair. Throw my Kellogg's Trezor, my paprika chips, and my Hulst. That's my snack. I have a box of shredder. I go. Yeah, I know it's great, right?
Having a good snack is very, very important.
Yeah, I bought like $50 of snacks and I'm slowly going through them.
Ah, yes, I also bought $50 of snacks when I
Okay.
was at the airport last.
Oh, you got one bag of chips. Nice. Okay,
No,
so
I bought I bought like 2 kilos of candy.
yeah, I started 0. So 0 and a 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 2. But it does actually give me an output. The test is just this one. Wait, what do we get again? I open this image. Do we get GH? We get GHC. Let's go GHCI.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop.
No, I don't need that. I need.
Wait, do you have access to Hugo or?
Yeah, we have access.
Yes.
You got a local
Oh.
also instance, yeah.
Okay, what happens if I say triplets?
I can't wait to pass this exam doing only the programming things and having no clue about the actual
So they should
shit.
be NX -3. Yeah. Ayo!
Yeah, that could work.
A single line. Let's go.
Whoop.
There is no
And you
list
also have-
comprehension. Well, no, this is. I don't think there would be any other way. Like,
I
This
use
is
the
exactly
other
what they're
method
saying.
if you want to check.
You know, if you really want a challenge, it's doing shit like I like doing Python in a single line with no
you know,
eval.
I mean,
You know, if you're curious, you can check out in the West channel text message. Just post my one with zip3 there. I think it may be easier. I don't
oh,
know.
I see. Okay, so this is yours. Oh, open your submission again. Map zip3 axis tail axis tail axis.
Telltale X's, Telltale X's, Telltale X's.
Yeah, no, this is funky. So
This is completely stupid, but it works. Ain't gonna complain.
zip3
It's not the
axis
dumbest
tail-
thing I've heard.
This is not the dumbest thing I've heard. That's nice. And also, just to like, there's some little funky shit in Agda. Like if you were to paste this, it just doesn't work because you cannot give function definitions in Agda, or at least, or in GHCI.
You
Straight man,
can.
yeah.
You need to wrap it as a single
Yeah, so you could in
thing.
theory do this,
Do
Yes, that.
but I mean to be fair, if you're gonna post any code, please use this, like a colon opening bracket, because otherwise you cannot post multiple lines. Yeah. But if I
I
do
have
this-
literally not opened, not
says
even
MLP
installed
channel?
GHCI on my computer
Yeah.
yet.
I
I
haven't
used
installed
it during the
Agda, though.
project.
Okay, save, spec test, run. And now do it with list comprehension. Okay, wait. What we do then? Yeah.
We
No,
just
we
steal it and do it again.
Together with the helper function triplets you defined. Huh. I mean, no pattern matching or recursion. Wait, why do I? Huh. Okay. Well,
List comprehension.
that.
Oh god.
No, that actually makes it a little better. Actually, I'm gonna rewrite.
You-
this from scratch.
You totally did define a helper function triplets.
No. The helper function triplets is the one that we wrote here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess they provide it.
So this.
Well, I doubt.
Yeah, no, they do provide it. They do provide it. So
Trip.
we can just say triplets here.
I've just
You
been
do not need to
copying it
redefine it.
every time they said this.
Yeah, but it explicitly says you do not need to redefine it here.
Oh,
So
I guess I just missed that.
input x's, then we have trips, and then we say that I want the
Guard.
second element of trips if trips 0 is bigger than trips 1 and trips I'll write it in a different way. Trips 1 is bigger than trips 0 and trips 1 is bigger than trips 2.
You know what you could do?
Hmm?
You could use a beautiful thing called an XOR.
The fuck I won't. Or and then we copy this line.
No, but you see what I mean. You could use an XOR.
I very much
Or
could.
technically, no, because equals would counterexample it.
Okay, so this holds. And I think this is valid. You know it's good. Oh, error on input? Why is there?
Doesn't compile.
Skill issue.
Oh wait, I don't need to put an if here. That's Python syntax. Cannot mix. Oh, infix.
No.
Oh. Okay, so.
Brackets issue, nice.
Oh yeah, fucking obviously, and it's not a function. That's Python syntax.
Yeah, I was curious.
And or is indeed her.
I was just
Leave
waiting
Python.
till I was waiting till he'd realize.
This guy's just writing Python.
I am, to be honest, I am.
Is he ever not?
Okay, cannot max expected type. Oh yeah, so you can't not index. Yeah, how do you index in a triplet? There is no
Head.
third.
Fuck, what's the command for this again?
Can we just do like brackets XYZ? Does it not work?
Yeah, you could just
like,
destructure
just
it.
like brackets XYZ?
But
You could just destructure it in line.
Unfortunately for you, that's better matching. Okay, they do say it's allowed to match the result of a generator in the list comparison.
Yeah,
So
I
guess I'll
think
do it.
that's fine.
Yeah, they explicitly say it's fine, so I'm gonna do it. Otherwise, I would not have. So this is why.
Otherwise, it'll take way too much of a hassle, as I would say.
No. If not, I probably would have done it still. But yeah, it is nice that they allow it. And then this is gonna be why. Obama gaming. No. Okay.
Never in my life have heard it in a prop test.
Prop loco extrema. Xs is equal to local extrema xs.
Look, why do they always want a list of my exes? Like, I can't keep writing down every question. It's just gonna hurt.
So then we look at.
I would go back to my past.
I'm not sure if I actually wrote any tests ever. Writing in.
But they were given to you and they were
Who does that? Testing.
Oh, they were given. Yeah, you're right. All right. It's not fraud. This is not graded. It's not fraud. This is not graded. It's not fraud. This is not.
As long as we don't copy it, it's fine.
Yeah, don't copy it. If you copy it, that's on you.
I'm gonna copy the character C from one
I
of
was
your.
about to
I
say,
mean,
I was hovering the kick button.
Actually, I'm not even sure if it is fraud if you copy it.
I don't think it's fraud. We have access to our code during the exam, so.
Ooh.
Well,
I don't think-
Does it say it has to be your own code though?
Did it ever
Yeah,
say that we
it's not-
cannot just write a massive amount of notes in the code?
using their solutions. No, that's not fraud.
No. But like, if I show my solution on stream.
Why would that be fraud? This is not graded.
Yeah, but it will be used in the exam, which is graded.
So you can paste anything you want in the field there. You can paste the entire textbook in the weekly exercise.
Yeah, that's what I was
I
thinking.
think Yana has a point here. I'm not gonna agree.
Yeah, fair. I will just look at this. Are there any? Oh no. I'll check here.
I mean, it would be
Testing my patience. Can you find that one?
into solution and pressing Marcus or Marcus computer.
So wait, I think this gen int thing is how you generate a list of ints. I'm just not 100% sure how.
I don't think it's required if you want to test stuff like that.
If you want to do a test with integers, just put the type at for the property as the start.
Okay, yeah, you're right. That makes a lot more sense. Yeah. So we take in an input or a list of ints, and then we return a property or bool.
Yeah, property.
Probably.
Just do a property and then use triple equals, because then you get like good error messages.
Well, you use triple equal, you get
Wait,
good error messages.
Haskell has
What?
triple equals.
Yeah, for properties.
What?
Ayo.
But,
Have you guys like not done the project?
No.
No.
no. There's a reason why we're here. Just
That's
saying.
next week's problem.
They're gonna fucking take our thing offline for a minute, a full minute. Sabotage.
How dare you?
What was for a minute?
They're taking my shit offline.
12 o'clock will be.
Delicious.
I think they're updating some token or some shit. I don't know.
First, define the tree, my
Sounds
tree
right.
that represents.
First example, a tree that represents that. What?
I have no clue what a tree is. Probably in the library.
Neither do
Tree,
I.
a node,
Oh, a
node,
tree. A
bool,
tree has a
char,
node or a
tree.
yeah.
Is this is an Achta, right? No, this is Haskell because there's two things.
This is
Here.
Haskell.
Wait,
Oh, I probably know
yeah.
what you have to do.
Okay.
Is it like
So
this?
this is compile. No, that's what I thought. Tree with the extra.
You
Okay, yeah. So we have to.
go up to the folder. There's an
Yeah.
explanation.
So what is? My basic question is, what the fuck is a tree?
No,
This
no.
is-
It literally just has it's got a node, a boolean, to say if it's a node or not. If it's a
Go
leaf,
up to the folder.
and then it's got a
Nicola.
list of characters and trees, and like the characters and trees are the positions of the subnodes, I believe. It's at least what makes most sense from what I can read there.
Yeah, like it looks
There's
like this would be the
a
constructor.
description of what it is if you go up to the folder.
If you go up to the folder, my guy, legend. There we go. A tree is data structure that represents a finite set of strings. Not go. We can define the tree data solos. Tree BTS describes a boolean. It's true if it's the empty string. Oh, the boolean is true if the empty string belongs to A. And a list
What the
TS
fuck?
contains a set of tuples so that at least one of the strings in the set starts with T, with C, and the subtree T describes a set of strings S such that C:S is in the set A.
My eyes hurt reading at this.
Numbers go boom.
No. This makes sense. So if it's an S, then the only other thing can be an O, and then the only other thing can be an O. But if it's a B, then the only other thing can be an A, and then the only other thing can be an A or a Z.
Oh, okay.
And then when it's the last character, it needs to be true.
Okay, that's
Okay,
easy.
you know what? I'm actually gonna open this in another page just so I have it open. So in the first input, it's gonna be an A.
Shouldn't be not false.
Yeah, that should be false. So it's gonna be A, and then a
No
list.
true.
Wait, so the set is a list of char, tree. So this is list of char, node false. This is node true. And then it's B. And when it's the last characters, did I not open it? I did. If it's the last character, it's an empty list. Yeah, that makes sense. B. Empty list. Wait, I fucked it up again. It is.
Shouldn't be a no true first, or?
Hmm?
Shouldn't be a B, no true, then empty list. Right, because you still need the node. Wait. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, it should be a node
So-
true, then you
okay.
have
You're right. Okay, and that closes this list. The interesting part is there's also an option where it's just an A. So, this should be node false then. No, wait, this should be node true.
no, this is not true because it could end here.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
And
the first
then-
one has to be true then, actually.
And then the first one might have to be true just because the empty list is also in there. And then we also have the option of B node false,
False.
and then
A.
an empty list containing an A.
An empty list containing.
Brain just go
You're
perm.
right. You're right. Okay. So and then this does this close this list? No.
Take the
and then-
empty set containing
An
the set.
empty set containing a set that is empty.
This is beautiful.
Look,
Wait, there's
take
no way
an
that's
empty
correct. There's
set
no way that's correct.
containing a set that is empty.
No,
Yeah,
no,
that's
this is not
definitely
correct.
wrong.
So this should be correct.
Does a set that contain no other sets
Oh
contain
my!
itself?
No.
Okay, so
No.
this might be correct. Oh, couldn't match types. Huh?
Oh, you need
It
a
should
single
be a
quotes.
char.
It's single quotes. Single
Yeah.
quotes is char, double quotes is string.
Does a set that contain every other set but itself
I'm not
contain
here
a
to
set
reason
that
about set
contains
theory. I'm here
itself?
to reason about whatever this bullshit is.
Practically set theory, actually.
Yellow, shut up.
This entire thing is just set theory, but with extra steps.
Achta is.
Ach, that really is, yeah.
And it's even extra steps. with
No.
Fuck achter.
Oh, I
This
control.
is what I
Oh,
was saying.
whew! It's a singleton only. Not like the next one is going to be like creating trees of.
What the?
Um,
Pain.
Recursion. Let's go.
yeah, but this one is easy. Is equal to a node.
Wouldn't you pattern match on that? X colon fucking
Yeah, you would.
X colon X's? Yeah. No, but it's
I
a
was-
string. You need to convert it to a list. Fool.
I would think to do head and tail, but yeah, that's much smarter.
Nah. XXS. We're lazy.
Then
Oh.
X comma. No, and then we have singleton 3x's. And then we have singleton 3
You have to use
empty
pattern-
list
oh.
equal to node true.
This course is gonna make me premeditate murder.
Honestly,
Huh.
so far this exam is like piss easy. I like it.
I know, I'm joking. It's actually. I'm pretty sure I can pass this.
Okay, so
Node.
it never ends. Singleton. No wait, it does. Never
Yeah.
mind. I'm clowning.
Check the tests. Check what the tests are.
Okay, here you go.
A local test
The
pass.
test. That's a question.
Hope this helps.
Okay.
Are we gonna make a local test? Damn.
Yes.
Well, copy
Yeah.
your last assignment as a test.
Yeah, that's a good shout. So this should be here. Another example tree.
Nah, they never write tests. It was always 0 out of 0. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
That. Yeah.
Just copy the prop test that we made and then like paste it in and edit it slightly.
It's sorted.
if it worked, don't fix
Obviously
it.
sorted. It equals to my tree is equal to
Yes. What?
singleton 3. Oh, but this is fucked up. Okay, no. Wait.
Yeah. We're
That's
gonna,
just more than one thing, which you can just strip out.
Wait, why did I got? Wait, can you show your implementation? Why I got full point with same implementation than you? What the fuck?
This one?
Yeah,
I probably have something wrong. Hope this helps.
Try again.
I have
Save-
exactly
save
the
and run
same
the
as
spec
yours.
Just try again. Save and run the spec test. We never know. It's WebLab. You know they managed to break WebLab
2 out of
over
6.
in
I
Two-
have 1 out of
two out of
6.
for the AI exam.
Mistakes for now. What?
Okay, run the spec test. It'll be 3 out of 6. Oh.
Bro.
1 out of 6.
uh,
It's a flaky test.
Oh my god!
Bro.
Oh
bro,
yes,
Fox,
of course. They use strings. They probably have a prop test with strings. They're
Fox,
always
do y'all-
flaky.
Do y'all want to know something? Aerospace actually broke WebLab on Tuesday.
Nice.
How did they break WebLab?
They did AI on WebLab.
Do you mean you just mess up all the what you call the Git server that QDOF have basically?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
No,
need to actually define the type.
What they did was they had testing sets or like training sets that were too large.
Okay, let's see.
DHPC exists for a reason.
Isn't it like
Does 3 it is not implemented.
isn't it
equal.
3
3 doesn't implement equal.
Whoa.
Show,
Well.
comma, EQ.
Yeah, exactly.
Comma space EQ.
Comma EQ, yeah.
Just
One
at the
space
bottom.
EQ.
I can't
Oh, you
edit the
cannot change.
library.
You cannot change.
Oh,
Fuck.
You can't make. Okay, wait.
You can't
do.
redefine it.
Doesn't.
no, but then...
But
No,
then
then it
you
would throw
can't.
different. I think.
Well,
We-
just for
Okay.
locally testing, it's fine.
Do you import the test though? Yeah.
He's
No,
just
but I-
because you don't have-
trying to.
Oh, but that means I should put it here because it does get imported in the test.
Yeah.
Ambiguous occurrence. No.
Oh my god, of course. You need to have
no
node 2 as
two?
well.
No, two.
Why do they make testing the damn code this hard?
I,
Why
Because
do
I,
you
you're
have
supposed to know if it works.
No, I can't.
wait,
I
you
can't be wrong.
You can't.
Wait, does it say 3? It says 3. Why the fuck is 3? Why is it using a 3? It
Oh
should
no
be
no
3
no no!
too.
That makes sense. That makes sense. I made a mistake. 3-2.
Yeah, that's what I said. Okay.
Yeah, I still don't think.
Easy as 1, 2, 3.
Non-exhaustive
Okay.
pattern is a function singleton tree. Okay. Wait, why is it non-exhaustive?
Why is it not? What?
X without
No, but then
something
X is
behind
empty
it.
list.
Just a single.
That's
They
X with
should-
empty list as X to access.
Does that match?
Screenshot.
Yeah. it
Yeah,
does.
that match.
I'm gonna wait. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this, paste it. GHI.
sorry.
Singleton tree. It compiles. Fuck you, AB.
No, it definitely worked. Cause look
Wait,
at the
wait,
screenshot
wait,
I
wait,
have.
Exception,
It goes
non-exhaustive
A, B.
pattern match.
A, B. And the empty list goes first, right? Yeah.
It's on the
Yeah,
empty.
emptiness is first.
Try just changing it to going second and then make it
I
just a
think I know
sub.
that.
Yeah, underscore. Make it an underscore. Oh, but no, those are the same. It'd be very.
No, I
Um,
don't think that works.
Double quotes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
That
no,
should
but
be a thing.
they are, but aren't the same from what I understand.
Do an underscore. No, that would actually match on. Do an underscore
Yeah,
and place it under the other one.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It shouldn't matter. It really shouldn't.
It shouldn't, but it might.
Non-exhaustive. I have every.
Non-exhaustive?
I get
Oh!
everything.
How is that non-exhaustive?
I probably guess why. It's maybe they just started taking the service down starting from now on and just fucked up the web lab. It could
No,
be
no,
that.
no. That would be at midnight or midday.
Yeah, and
Yeah, and
non-exhaustive
also
also-
it wouldn't give this error.
It's
Yeah,
high
Look,
noon.
The issue is I have exact same code and it works.
No, my code's broken.
So why did my test
Non-exhaustive
pass?
pattern
What the
match is
fuck?
fucking me up.
I found it.
Well,
Someone has a typo in the bottom line.
Sinalton. You've got
Yes.
a
I'm
Sinalton.
gonna commit
It's
hate crime.
Sinalton!
How is that not a compiler error?
I wonder why was this an error?
Imagine all the fucking.
All this
crap.
debugging.
Oh, it can be off.
Average day in computer science.
I have the same and it passed.
I wonder why you... Godverdomme.
Typing skill issue.
The
Dude, I think you
standard
should clear
prelude-
callback.
The standard prelude function lookup may come in handy. Wait, why would
Lookup is the
lookup work in
index.
this tree? I would need to flatten it in some way, right?
You don't?
You just you take
Or
a
you can just
chainsaw
do
to flatten the tree.
case matching. Like you have lookup and then you have like nothing, just false. If you have just something, then yes.
Wait, oh yeah, string. Yeah, true.
So if we have something, lm.
Honestly, you might want a pattern match on a tree as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So if we have anything, that is. Wait, can I say anything that's not an empty list? Yes, I
anything.
can. Anything that's not an empty list. And a tree is anything, which is a node anything empty list.
Might have to wrap that in brackets.
Yeah, you're
I
right.
think you have
99%
to write them in
sure you
bracket,
do.
yeah.
It depends. It depends on the thing of construction, but like, yeah, this is. Yeah. Okay. So if it's
I
if
think
there's
this is-
stuff left and there's an empty list, it's false. If there's nothing left and it's not an empty list. So if this is an
So the
Oh.
node false.
this
Yeah,
empty
be
list-
node false and then XS.
No, this shouldn't be false.
I mean, it could be anything.
I mean,
as
you
long
can
as
just
there's
pre-
anything here.
No, no. No, but it's just it could be. Oh, I think that. Yeah, I guess.
Okay, fair.
So these are the two base cases. And then our tree is in node.
Wait, actually, no. You can have something that has empty. That is empty, but then you have node true something. Then you just empty string, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Node
saying.
true empty tree. That still give you true, right?
Yeah, because true means that the empty string is part of the set. True means it can end here, and it's just ended here.
Yeah. Then
No?
it's gonna be empty string.
Yeah,
then
but
empty string is in the
this would
set.
be empty. Then this would be empty.
Would it though? No.
Oh,
If
wait,
you
no,
look
no,
at- if you
you're
look
right,
at
you're
your
right, you're right.
first-
So,
Yeah.
this is false, but this is true.
Then the bottom one needs to be false. I mean, it doesn't
No,
have to be,
it doesn't
but
have to be.
I'd
do it
rather.
just so it's clear for you guys.
Yeah. I think you can even go node x or node y xxs is equals y if you want
Yeah,
to
I think
flag.
yeah, that might be easier.
No, it's not easier.
not-
It's less readable. I'm gonna keep it like this.
Fair enough.
But then wait,
Whoever cared about readability?
actually-
I'm
Question.
not sure how long this assignment will take me, so I do now. If it's like a right, it's like
I have a
a
question?
right and go, then I would agree. But um,
may I ask a question? Do you really have to x append access here?
yes.
Because it might be nothing there. Nothing is the next tree, right?
So for one of them it does. For
Next
so
tree
for the
can be
true, for the
empty,
true
right?
one, the true one can be empty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, so that'd be underscore. That'd be underscore.
It's just underscore,
yeah,
I
yeah.
guess.
Tree.
True.
And okay, and false if there's stuff left is false, sure.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then we also need a case for false if there's nothing left.
Do we?
I mean, this is where lookup could be useful.
Well, I mean,
I'd say just
that's-
a blank.
currently that's not matched on. That's why I'm saying that.
What would a
Wait,
false
no.
and
False,
empty
false
list?
there's something left is this.
Hmm?
Oh, you mean like
What?
No,
false?
if there's nothing left, false
you
empty
mean
list.
like
Yeah.
you mean
like
like
that-
this?
Well, no, I meant empty list on both sides, just because right now that's not being matched on, so it's a non-existent pair match.
True.
Just say blank blank.
blank
If
blank,
it's
and then
this,
so there's nothing left,
should-
but wait, this is not valid, is it?
No, this is not valid
Why is it
no.
not valid?
because
you
it can.
can't-
If it's false,
but
then it has to be.
There has to be a
You
string
can't
there.
have an empty list that also doesn't contain the empty string. Then-
Yeah.
Okay, true. However, prop test might fail on it.
yeah, no, I agree,
Yeah.
I agree, yeah. Like,
I
this will
agree.
be
Yeah,
non-exhaustive
true.
pattern
Just
matching,
a
so,
pattern match, even
Yeah.
in valid cases.
yeah.
Yeah, then just
This just shows that the data type or the types have been badly modeled and should be done better. Use Agra.
How about use Rust?
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Uh,
So then if we have
Yeah.
at least one element, and we have a node that is B in test. Oh, and this is of course a list of like the rest.
yeah, so this
I
is a
mean,
list of tuples.
So
Does B here really matter?
yes.
I mean, oh, never mind.
So if lookup is looking up in a list, right?
No, I don't think B
yes.
matters.
yeah, yes, it
I
is
think B
looking up.
matters. I actually don't think B
Look up-
matters.
So
Look
basically,
up, no,
what
look up
my
checks
plan here
tuples
is,
of li-
what my plan here is
Yeah,
um
look up in Haskell basically takes a list of tuples and matches on the first element and returns the second.
That's pretty based.
pretty based. So what my plan is we have an X, because
So look up X in the list rest.
so we have
And that will what's the return type of lookup? Is
Nothing
a,
and just.
Yeah, that's what I expected.
so let's see. When we match on this node, because we take in a tree, which is the current element we're matching on, which is just this. Oh wait. Okay, yeah. So this is a list of list of
List of next
Jars,
possible option, which you're going to try
comma-
to find X on, basically.
yeah, okay. Okay, so then lookup might be useful, yeah.
In case match, I guess.
Yeah. case lookup x, comma. I'm gonna call it TRS because it's like trees. I can even call it trees. Tries. Go. Lookup x tries of just
Nothing. Yeah, no.
just
Just
y.
Just
equals
something.
blah blah. Nothing
Something that I used to know.
Okay. So we have just y here, and y will be the next subtree to evaluate on. So just y
Yep.
equal to lm3
Tree.
x's um
Y.
yes, okay. So then the question is, do I need to do anything with this boolean b here? I think all the boolean stuff is handled in these cases, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I don't
boolean is
think
only about the
the B
empty set,
matters
and
here.
we don't care about the empty set because the input is not the empty set.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
So this might be it.
Even it could end
Inshallah.
here, but it have to end here, basically, as that's what it meant.
What is the
Oh.
syntax for lookup again? Like this?
Nothing. No. It's a thing. It's not. It's not equal. It's a single line. I don't know how you call that. I forgot. Hyphen.
Dash?
Yes.
Hyphen. Wait.
Yeah.
Hyphen?
The dash. The dash. The dash. The dash. The
Ah,
dash.
I
okay.
don't think it's a dash.
It's
I
an
don't think
arrow,
it's
I
a dash.
think.
It's an arrow. It's an arrow. So dash
There we
and
go.
greater equal.
Yeah.
Why is it hyphen? Sorry, my brain is fucked.
All good. 7-7.
Hey.
Ayo! God,
I
look
love
at
it when
our
we write
case
code and it just
pattern.
works.
Oh, that's so good.
You got brain
Okay, so we
moment.
take the L.
Empty tree
Oh,
represents
merge
the
tree. I
set.
can't wait.
That represents the empty set. So that is
Oh god.
node. False because it doesn't
Not
contain the empty set.
false. Yeah.
So remember how we saying that it would not be a valid thing? Oh, here it is.
Wait, why does it not? Oh, I see what you mean.
We need to make tree an instance of monoid. Fuck off.
Oh no!
I mean, honestly, I think that's fine. As long as we have a merge function, we're fine.
Yeah, I agree, but like, damn. Merge.
I don't remember the syntax for that ever though.
Tier one. Yeah, but
We have
yeah,
Google.
Yeah,
Oh,
we have
yeah,
Google,
fair.
and we have like my previous solutions, right?
Yeah.
So we have two trees. Pay attention to the fact that list of tuples in a tree should never contain two tuples with the same element as the first component. Okay, so first tree is the one we're gonna pattern match on.
Google.
Do we all? It's obviously gonna be fucking recursive, obviously. But my
It
question is,
has
do we
to
also
be
have
like
a pattern mesh on this? So then I could say node x node x bool.
Yeah. I would just pattern match it as much as possible, and then we'll see if we use it.
Yeah, exactly. X list.
Because if we don't use it, it acts like an underscore. Well, no,
node
that's not
y
true. If you don't
bool
explicitly
y
say it.
list. The annoying part is right now we would have to, because here we have a list of all the elements.
yes. I mean, you just do it by union
actually-
operation, can't you?
Hmm?
Can you just union it?
But
Like,
so,
just, sorry, append the list, like, as in.
so in theory, yes. In practice, tuples
Oh
in
no,
a
because
tree
of the
should never contain
unions.
two tuples with
Yeah.
the same complement. So we need to actually like iteratively merge them.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I'm almost tempted to say like
Let's say x axis, y
char
axis.
x.
Oh yeah, sure.
Rest char x's.
Yeah. So what I would do is look up x in y list.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I would do is don't match on y list. Just look up x on y list and match on the result. And then at the end, when the x list is empty, just add the entirety of y list. Make sense now?
I am so sorry, but I'm so confused actually.
So what I can see what Yella's saying. Like if the first character, or if this character is not in Y list, We append it to the Y list and we go again. If it is, we need to merge like the characters themselves.
I
don't-
don't get your pattern matching on X. Like first car X into rest car X, and then the rest. Like what's the XX mean? XS
So
mean?
this is the first node in our. Oh wait.
Your back? Yeah.
Yeah, no.
No.
I thought 3 was a list for a second. It's not.
Yeah. So the XS should go.
Yeah. So in this case, and then this is just Y list.
Yeah, that looks more based.
Okay, this makes more sense as well in my head. So we check if first list or first character.
Yeah, I would
in
match
Y
on
list?
lookup first car Y list.
Yeah. Okay, look up first car X Y list.
That probably needs brackets.
I don't think it does, but I'm going to add them just in case.
Good idea. So
I don't think you need
nothing
though. I don't think you
into-
need though.
Nothing means we merge or we add first car X to our tree.
Node, some bool I will figure out later. And then we have merge.
Are you just allowed to write a helper function? To be honest.
Yeah, probably.
Mm,
But-
So wouldn't we want to make a helper function which returns a list so that we're like just building the list and at the end we'll turn it into a tree? Or
I don't think it's needed for now.
okay, fair
Bool
enough.
Or y bool. Yeah, because if we're here,
Yeah.
then both of these have had the previous same thing, which is either the start of the string or the whatever previous character it was. It doesn't really matter. So if either x bool or y bool here is true, that means that the empty string
The
is
empty
in the
set
set containing
contains-
like going
yeah.
from this point onward.
Oh,
So
yeah,
we
I
can just
agree.
take the or of both. And then we say merge tree node x
Oh, Weber is. Oh, Weber is back. Never mind.
node x bool rest char x node y bool y list.
Oh, I get how it works. Yeah, so the when we merge, yeah, eventually if we find both of the what? Huh?
Hmm?
Hold up. Is this the case? Because why are we merging here? Like we
I
know
think
that this
I think
character
if we
doesn't
just do a
exist.
helper function, will be make our life easier. As I would say, I think.
Like, well, why are we merging here? Because
Basically, my plan is to exhaust x, and then
oh
we have a y, which is like our final result.
yeah, so I see.
I guess,
If
yeah.
if we have a character in x that is not in the list of characters in y, we can just consider y to have that character, and nothing would change.
Wait, why are you adding rest car X then and not first car X
Yeah, thank
to
you.
Y?
Yes, thank you. Also,
Okay,
first car x here is an element of car tree, so this should be lookup fst.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. And then this adds the boolean or the tuple of car comma tree, in case there is a resulting
You
y
want
tree
the
that needs to be
plus plus
merged.
with a tuple. Plus plus needs to have a list of tuple, so you need to wrap first car X with square brackets.
Yeah, makes sense. Yes, because first car x is a tuple and y list is a list of tuples.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I see. I see. Brain worky now. So yeah, now we need to make a node X bool or Y bool, where we merge tree node X bool rest car X node X bool Y list plus merge of first car X and first car Y.
First car y of resulting y tree.
Resulting Y tree.
Then that I would agree with.
Yeah, so practically the entire thing, but instead of at the end first car X, we just have merge tree, first car X, and resulting Y tree.
Jesus fucking Christ. However, it seems to make sense.
Yeah. Yes. However, right now we
Oh
still have the
god.
base case where it's node xbool
Yeah. If
empty.
this thing does not if this thing is out.
Yeah.
So
Or yeah.
I
That looks
chose.
like hell.
Thank you. So if we try to merge this empty list here, then there are
All
no.
I see are the tears of children.
Nah, honestly, like if you understand this line, it's really not that bad.
Yeah.
So
Agreed.
if we
It's
do
more
this,
so just this.
It's the hardest thing here. Sorry to
It's,
this
say.
is node
it's more so just
x
looking at
bool
it.
colon y bool y list.
Yes, we also should match on. Oh no, what we already. If y list is empty, yeah, then we just transfer the entirety of x or of x into y. Then it's fine. Yeah, I think this. Weirdly enough, I think this compiles.
I think this works. So
I
to
think
run
this
through it,
compiles. I
to
think,
run
I
through it
think
in
it
rubber
compiles.
Fuck.
to run through it in rubber ducky one more time. We got our first three, which of
Uh-huh.
which we take the first possible character that is that there is. That's the most important thing.
Okay.
And then we have our
Uh-huh.
our second list or our second
Uh-huh.
tree. Then we look up if this first character is in the list of the second tree. If it's not,
Mm-hmm.
then we can just create a new bool by adding that first character to the second list, and then like considering the first thing not to have the first list. So basically, we constantly transfer first character into the Y list. So first character into Y list, first character into Y list, first character into Y list, until this case is all out. Until we no longer have any characters.
Okay.
When we no longer have any characters, then we've transferred everything from X list into Y list, and then we can just take a node of only Y list.
Oh yeah, I guess this could work.
Yeah, and then so basically, if the character from the X list is in the Y list,
Y list, then
then we
you
need to merge them using the merge tree recursively, blah blah blah. If it's not, then we can
Yeah.
just add it to the list, right? Then we just have another.
Yeah, I guess.
If we have a
Okay.
if we have a tree with like a comma t1, and we have another tree with b comma t2. If we want to merge
You
this,
just
then
merge them.
we can just do this. We can just copy this into.
Yeah.
That's allowed.
Yeah, I guess.
If we have the list b comma t1, b comma t2,
Then we have
then
to
we would
merge
need to
T1 and
do
T2.
b comma merge t1
Merge.
t2.
Yeah.
'Kay.
Yeah. I think I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, so that does mean that we need to, in the just resulting node, we need to remove the resulting Y tree from Y list.
Oh, yeah.
Good point. Good point. Good point. Good point.
If I need to remove it, yes.
Yes.
How the hell will we do that?
Oh no, that's easy. Do we have any? No, we don't have anything. Okay. Where next y3 is x or is
Oh,
y3
yeah, sure. Fair enough.
where y3 in y list, comma first y3
Second.
is not equal to no first is not equal
Sure. Both work.
to first
First car X.
car x. So this
Sure.
is just to create a tree where y list does not have this
This
character,
element.
and then add the remaining words. Because as I was saying, imagine we have b comma t1, b comma t2. If we were to do it using our old implementation, we would get b comma t2, comma b comma t merge t1 t2. So we want to create a list that contains everything except for whatever character this is, and then we want to add the merged list. I'm not sure if this where clause holds or is allowed to hold, but we'll see if it does. And this doesn't even cover the semi-group stuff, so I don't think this is gonna run, but it might error out on syntax errors first, which is nice. Oh yeah. Nodding scope first. What is the first thing? Oh, FTS. Okay, yeah, whatever.
I'm picking up good vibrations.
Nodding scope rest car X. Oh, rest car X's. Got my. Wait, where is it? Where's rest car X? Merge tree. Wait, where is that? Oh, here. Yeah. In line 8, so that's this one. Oh yeah, because we copied the line, that makes sense. So this is in... Okay, so when we get nothing... Oh yeah. Why are we even...
Hmm?
Why are we creating a node here? I don't think we should. I think we should merge tree here again.
Yeah, fair. Agreed.
Okay. And I think we should do the same thing here.
Yeah.
Okay.
We should only create a node in the base case at the
Yeah,
bottom.
I agree. So here we call merge tree, which, you know...
Just at the very end, we have like 500 deep list.
Node x bool risk cars, node y bool y list plus first car x. Yeah, this makes a lot more sense as well. So in the case that we don't find it, we just merge tree again with this list without the first character and this list with the first character.
Not nerd emoji, but this would compile as an Agda program now. Because we're using exhaustive pattern matching. Or not exhaustive, but diminishing pattern matching.
Merge tree, can't expect start tree with actual type tree.
So the plus plus of node pool, you probably need brackets, let's be real. Yeah, node pool,
Yeah.
next tree, you need to wrap that in brackets. Also, do you? Yeah. No? I don't know. Maybe that fixes it. Fuck it. YOLO.
Yeah, it's worth a shot.
Yeah.
Couldn't match expected type char, tree with actual type tree. Oh,
Oh, because
yeah.
merge tree gives. Yeah, we need a character at the
So
like at the ref side. So that would be first car X.
Car X,
Yeah.
comma.
I hate how that's named.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. You should be able to index into tuples, but you know, whatever. It is what it is.
Well, that and the fact that the first car X is not a character but a tuple.
Yeah, valid. Come again?
Yeah. So your close your bracket.
Oh yeah, my bracket needs to be around this.
Yeah. And I think you're also lovely.
Okay, this might
Let's be real,
work.
that probably also is in the one above it.
In line 10. Wait, 10? Oh yeah, the line numbers are always wrong. Fuck that. Whoever thought of that, fuck off.
You should black person with lighting behind you or behind him. The person who thought of that should black person with lightning behind them. No, you should kill yourself now.
Oh, that one, lighting. I thought you meant like as in lights. Yeah, no.
No.
Yeah, okay, that's
yeah,
funny.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah.
Checks out.
Yeah, checks out. It's funny. Couldn't expect. Okay, first.
The merge tree first car X. Yeah, no, merge tree first car X doesn't make sense.
Yeah, so this should be merge tree second first car X.
Sure. Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, and this naming is absolutely terrible.
Yeah, thank you. And then this one should be not equal to, which I think this is.
Yeah, sure. Hey, let's go. And now it's gonna complain because semi-group and mono are...
Whoa! What? Whoa!
We're going. Honestly, hate to say it, if this is as difficult as it gets, this doesn't have shit on the project.
Yeah, this is really not that hard. It's just like my naming convention sucks, but it's really not that hard.
Yeah.
Defining a couple of helpers and being a bit calmer about it and having nice names.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't use nice names. I would use XXS because then it would fit on the screen.
There's a way of having nice names, yes.
Sure. I would not do this. Jura, what I would do, straight up, go to your implementing reader monoid exercise, copy the definition of that you used for monoid and semigroup there.
Honestly, good shout.
Reader, writer, whatever.
Reader monoid, I think. implementing.
We care
so
about.
that's
But this is
functor.
not semi-group. This is
Oh, yeah, we don't implement semigroup ourselves. Maybe.
no, we do.
I
We
think
do
in
it
semi-group,
somewhere.
you just have the merge. I think that's it. I think you semi-group, you don't have
Well,
the
yeah,
merge.
it's
Yeah,
more
yeah.
about the
So
syntax that we need to have.
I think I know
rather
the
than
syntax.
I think it's
it's
like
one.
brackets. Yeah, something like that. I don't think you even need those. Like, just do brackets. Those the two the sign. I don't know how you call that.
But the semigroup need like a femty or an memty or a return. Like, does it have like a base case?
I don't think so. That's only for monoid.
Well, we
I don't think semigroup has a base case.
Data.semigroup
have-
Haskell is one thing, which is associative function that lets you combine any two values of an a into one. Yep, we've got the semigroup
okay,
now.
and then monoid needs.
Monoid has a return and a back function.
Empty and
Well,
what?
okay, yeah, I'm not sure. I might be thinking of monad versus monoid. I
I think you're thinking
cannot
of
for the life of me.
monoid.
Yeah.
Because monoid is you have the well, according to the slides, you have the memempty and the mappend.
Yeah, memty and mapend.
Yeah, fair.
It can you can and possibly mconcat, but fuck that.
Mempty
We
is
mempty up in this bitch.
Empty tree.
Mappend is merge or mappend xy is equal to merge 3xy.
So not yeah. So you can actually, but you can even say is mapend equals
merge 3.
Yeah,
bracket.
the x
No, just bracket. just go off a semigroup.
Yeah.
That both work actually.
Oh, that's
It can work.
funny.
It work. That can work also. I mean,
Uh,
do you,
I'll-
I
I'll
believe-
keep it like that.
Yeah, both work. Both work.
Ah!
Damn.
Damn, that's right.
Wait, do you only have 10 out of 15 before, or
yeah,
how much do you
10 we
have?
whave from 10 to 50. That's
Is that makes sense? Because
Center
group and
monoid
each one's
back
one
to-
test.
Sorry.
So something is your merge tree. Merge tree is wrong.
I mean,
Is it though?
Yeah, because I got a good merge tree using a method, and they gave me 13 out of 15 instead of implementing semi-group and monoid. So
I see. Well, I guess we're testing stuff on merge tree. So
Opening
library,
GCI.
yoink. Yeah, I was about to say. Wop, pop.
You'll store everything in a giant bracket block.
Yeah, I have it.
Of course.
I wouldn't know. I've never used GHI ever.
Whatever they say, merge tree.
I hate how they misspelled 3. I'm gonna fucking shoot someone.
Make sure you don't. Make sure when you shoot them, you do an exhaustive shooting.
Trust me, I'm gonna be exhausted by the time it's done.
No, I mean you can't leave any openings. It's got to be exhaustive.
Guys, let's stop discussing murder. Also the absolute version.
Okay, and then I also do this one. So if I say whatever they say,
what are the
merge
three
tree, single
What about a
Then
property
3.
dead?
ABC, singleton 3, ABD. Oh. Fold A, fold B, fold D, comma C. That's kind of base though. You
it
know what
kind
it
of look
might be?
correct.
Yeah, this is correct as fuck, by the way. You know what it might be?
Hmm?
They might be little bitches on the fact that we do.
That the order is the other way around.
Yeah, so then we do.
Yeah, so it'd be first car X plus plus. Yeah. And the same with
It is actually what they're complaining
They
about.
shouldn't be.
Yeah, it shouldn't be, obviously, but.
I don't think so.
We'll see. You're running the OR test, you know.
Okay, whew!
Nah.
It doesn't do anything. Okay. But it does show me that like most of my shit works, which is nice.
So maybe
Maybe
your empty
I think
set is wrong. Your empty 3.
Wait, give me a second.
Isn't empty 3 true?
Wait, value not scoped. Empty. Oh yeah.
Isn't empty 3 no true empty list?
No, because then it would contain the empty list. Empty tree is empty.
The empty string.
Yeah. Oh. This is like the old dragging thing I'm doing is probably the worst way I could go about doing this, but we take them.
also Yura
Wait,
just
wait.
like time you use Windows.
Mappen in the instance for monoid mappen we've been. Wait.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, whatever. So now I should be able to say A is equal to
Yeah.
singleton tree ABC.
Nothing, I guess. Oh,
Oh, capital T. B is singleton tree A C D. C is singleton tree BC. D is singleton tree AAA. D is singleton tree empty list. Oh, that's
do you mean E?
yeah, I mean E. And I can say A, B, C, D, E. I didn't error, that's good. Now I just need a fucking pretty printer for this shit. So we start
I
out with
can
B
write
and
it
then we
out
get
for you.
D.
That'll be a pretty print.
No, that works. Then we get A, then we have A and then empty. Okay, that works. Then we have A and C and D, and then that's the end. That works. And then we have A, B, C, and that works. God damn it, it's correct.
There are probably some edge
Johan?
cases that you miss here.
I'm gonna say something and you're gonna go, God damn it, you're right.
What is it?
12 out of 15 sounds like a pass. Marcus completed.
God damn it. Okay, I want to try one more thing. What
Sure,
happens if I
sure,
do
sure.
singleton tree
In the worst case scenario, nuking code is always an option, to be honest.
ABC, and then we have ABC, and then we have B is AB, and then we say A B. Damn it, it's right.
False, true. Yeah, that's right.
Damn, why are we so based?
Why are we so based?
Based.
Damn it. We're going with the sauce.
Should we try
how
helper
about-
method, I guess? Should we actually just try that?
No.
Wait, didn't someone have a correct implementation?
Yeah,
I do.
give me your correct
Oh,
implementation. Hand it over.
Yeah, write a protest with the correct implementation and see what falsifies it.
Yeah, that's exactly what.
There you go. That's my invitation.
Jesus Christ.
Hmm? Please compare.
That looks a lot nicer.
So this is the merge tree thing, which just cares about.
Yeah, you just basically helper method you cons, and where you merge a tree to a tree, merge a
Yeah.
list.
So you while you are theoretically in my code file, you do not get the rank of merge tree. You're now merge tree 2.
Ah, shit.
I like how you're using the completely wrong naming convention. Okay, that's slightly better.
Hmm.
But they were using the ampersand, which means alternative implementation, for the thing that isn't the actual implementation.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Also, there's
then
another
we
one
say-
at equal. There's another one
Yeah,
at
you
equal.
merge tree.
Oh yeah.
22.
Okay, so then I say property or prop equal
Do we need an
merge
import quick test?
trees, which takes in a tree and then returns the property, and then we say. I love how the plural of merge tree is merge tries.
It's gonna try, okay?
Lord knows it
I
will.
try
Merge
so
tree.
hard.
Oh wait, I need to have.
I
3,
tried
1,
so hard.
3, 2, and it takes 2 of these, and then it takes merge 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, is equal to
Triple
equal
equals.
to, yeah, we can call it, then calling it happy. Merge 3, 2,
Because otherwise you don't get nice output and then this is useless.
3, 2. No instance of arbitrary tree in statement do block. What the fuck?
Oh, we're gonna need to make a generator for trees, aren't we?
It can't generate it.
No, that's fine. It takes in a string. It takes in another string.
That costs work.
Oh
I guess.
yeah, we can generate it.
This is gonna be interesting.
So there is an issue with that, namely that there might be trees that cannot be generated with singleton.
Whatever, cope.
Yes,
I
there is,
think-
and that's probably gonna be where the edge cases are.
I don't care.
I
Let's
think
try.
that probably is
Don't
where the
care.
edge cases is. That would be my good guess.
So
Yeah, and we don't care. If this doesn't find it, well, fuck that.
okay. So then we have this. Then we have paste this in here. Then we have merge tree, singleton, tree 1. Can I just say where.
I would do where. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that just wire is easy. Yeah.
Where T1 is singleton 3, T1. Where T2 is singleton 3, T2.
Huh?
Oh,
3-1, you meant? Yes.
okay.
Should work.
Okay, the order.
The order matters. Never mind, it does.
But but it shouldn't.
I mean,
Yeah,
it's
it
still the
shouldn't,
same.
but-
It shouldn't.
We can make it the same.
Yeah, just invert what we did before.
So
Yeah, I'm just. I know I shouldn't edit my thing to match what you did, but you know.
this is not an exam.
I mean, this is not exam, so do whatever you like.
What are you, a cop?
No,
Uh.
clearly he's the robber.
Wait. Oh, BA.
Oh, because he's like fucking the other guy sorts it like actually using equal.
Now you have BA and AB, which is like
Spec test mark completed. We move on.
Wait, but wait. My case. Oh, so your case is sorted.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably they always want this to be sorted, I guess.
Yeah, no. Let me actually
D-
check
d-
about
does it
the
give
definition.
in the definition that it's sorted?
Um.
No.
See.
It doesn't say.
No, it doesn't say it has to be sorted.
That's the last thing I'll try.
What, sorting?
If not, just submit.
Oh yeah, I guess you can sort.
Yeah,
with
I
a
can sort here.
custom sorting algorithm.
How do I sort using custom thing?
No idea. Google.
No idea.
Google. Search for sort.
Sort custom maybe.
Yeah.
Or this, I don't think that's one to match.
So you can. There's a sort map. Okay, nah, fuck that. I have to convert it back.
Custom sorter, but this isn't in the prelude. Yeah, this is just okay. Fuck it. Sort using custom comparator hospital.
Oh. Basically, just write a compare, basically. What the
Yeah, sort by.
Ah, I
base.
see. That's pretty base, indeed.
Why does this return two things?
No idea.
What the fuck?
I think we're done jumping into a rabbit hole at this point. It's a bit too deep, as I was saying.
True, but like I want to be able to custom sort.
Fair enough.
Sort by your.
A into ordering. So that tuple is an ordering. So what is an ordering?
Have you considered ordering takeout?
Fuck, I wish, man.
I think we all do.
Huh? So you need to just make your own thing that says LT.
Yeah, that returns either LT, EQ, or GT.
Just
Okay,
make your own statement
this
that
is weird.
says, "I am a grown adult."
Okay.
Which you can just implement that for strings by just saying compare,
Yeah.
because it's implemented.
So then, if we care, wait, this does what we want.
Yes.
Except for, oh yeah, okay. So I'm gonna say.
We need a second index,
sort
not the
trees,
first, though. No, what do we? Never mind, we do. I'm clowning.
Sort trees, which takes in a tree, a list of.
Not even a list, just a
No,
car.
just a tuple. Yeah, char 3
Into 3.
into char 3 into Wait, no. We want to. Takes in an area of shared trees and outputs an area of shared trees.
Oh yeah, fair. Depends on if you want to define like a full sorting or just a single
Yeah.
function.
Sort tree, access equal to sort by.
What?
So we only care about
Oh,
the first thing,
yeah, and that
and then we can
access.
infer this using the normal, and then we can say
Yeah, and then just access at the end.
yeah, access. The only thing I'm concerned about is that it doesn't know what sort by or compare is. And
Then
might
we'll
need
have
to import
then we'll have
sort by.
import it. No.
yeah, I'm not sure. Are we allowed to do that?
Yeah,
Why not?
yeah. At the look at the Stack Overflow page if you're still open.
It's data.list, I think.
Yeah, it's data.list space open bracket sort by. Whoa, crazy.
You don't even need that. If you don't do it, it just imports everything from data.list.
Yeah, I like being clean though.
I don't.
I don't.
Touche.
It's a fucking exam question.
It sorts
Don't
according to
maintain
the
this
word,
code.
according to the list, whatever.
Just import prelude.
They're the same. No way we get 15-15. Fuck off!
Guys,
Holy shit!
this isn't in spec. This isn't in spec.
This
This
isn't
isn't in
in
spec.
spec. I would argue. I would go to fucking.
I would go to court. No,
Yeah, getting mad at this if that happens on the exam.
yeah, truly.
Yeah, that is kind of annoying actually. Fun fact. Smile.
Yes.
Okay.
Finally.
State 3 laws of the monoid type class and explain briefly what a firm is satisfied by you. Okay, so
We
we
have
get
a slide.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
we get slides, lol.
We do have the slides. Thank the Lord.
Should we just? Should I just create a mega PDF just to merge all the slides into one PDF?
If you could, that'd be lovely, especially
That
with
would
4
be
slides per page.
absolutely amazing.
4 slides per page. That could
No,
be
like
us,
you
but
can do that
it could be
yourself
done.
with
I think.
printing.
Fair enough.
Yeah, you don't really need that because you can just search through them, right? Doesn't really matter.
I guess.
You can
What-
Yeah,
take a
we need to
fucking
print
PDF.
we need to
We
print
need to
A
get
and B. We need to not print these.
That's true. Yeah, we could just take a thumb drive,
Yeah.
which just
Oh,
put a rubber
fuck.
ducky in. We can write the exam for you.
Wait, so monoids are before lecture 8, right?
Wait, if we are running on virtual machine, how did I do USB port pass through without like let's say we just plugging a Wi-Fi card or something?
No, we have also a virtual machine. So you have
Yeah,
like
but-
the exam environment, and they also are putting a virtual machine image on it, I think. That you have like in a separate window.
Then how does USB key stick work? I don't get it. Because in the exam environment, it just prohibited you plug in anything.
It's probably allowed for us.
Who knows?
I don't know.
They were already working on distributing all the images and stuff yesterday, and the professor noticed an issue and was like, "Yeah, it's too late already. I can't fix it." So it's going to take a ridiculous amount of time to set this up.
So we're just
Understandable.
going to be sitting for like 2 hours at the start of each exam, at the start of the exam, just setting it up, and then.
Do you mean like machine? Do you mean like machine learning last year?
Bro, we literally
no.
broke the exam during AI.
I mean, same with machine learning resets last year. It's not exactly the case.
Bro, we
this-
literally had had to restart WebLab in the middle of an exam.
Yeah. We.
We
Wait,
got
which-
an extra 45 minutes due to it.
What is the law again? It's left identity, right identity, and association.
Yeah, there's some function that you can basically like that is associative.
So these are the 3 laws. The monoid laws is mempty mapend x equal x mapend mempty
Oh,
equal x,
left.
and x mapend
Yeah.
empty mapend z, x mapend I mapend z.
That's
Oh,
something I
yeah,
saw,
okay,
I
so
guess.
that actually makes sense because we need it to be sorted for the third monoid law to
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
valid.
So sadly, it is in spec, just
No,
in
no,
a
no.
different way.
If we don't say it, then it is in the spec.
It ain't wrong if we didn't know that it could be right.
Okay. I think that's proof enough. These are the monoid laws. Mempty of map end
Good
x is
enough.
equal to blah blah blah. So that
Just-
mempty map end x equal to map end mempty x equal to merge tree
Yeah.
mempty x equal to this.
Yeah, no, that
So
makes sense.
I expand the base case of merge tree, then false or. Oh, there. Yeah, I in theory I should have put brackets around this because this will error out whatever.
It
And
doesn't
then
have to be valid code.
this is per definition. This is x. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn, we're done with
Well, no, Yuri, you only proved the first monad law.
Yeah, they said
Let's
proof monoid
go.
mono law.
Oh, I see. Yeah, okay, sorry.
All good.
Als niks
You
helpt,
already have a passing grade now.
de vraag.
What do you say?
You already have a passing grade now.
Do I?
Yeah, 60 out of 100.
15, 10, 50, 20. Nice.
And the next one are just writing.
But we don't
Actually,
know
no,
if our
only
answers
60
are
right.
No,
perfectly
just four more
correct.
coding
Okay,
question.
These are actually fun. Let's see.
Oh no, that's gonna be Agda.
No!
Code.
Agda. Why? I hate Agda so much.
I better start liking it. I have another 10 weeks of writing it ahead of me.
What?
What? Are you gonna be doing your fucking project?
Research project is in Agda.
It
What
is?
the fuck is your project?
This is gonna be fun.
What?
Well, good luck.
It's the correct by construction refactoring one.
Yeah, that sounds like Aga. Because you can prove that it's correct by reconstruction.
Yes. And if you look at the responsible teacher or the responsible professor for it, you know it's an Agda.
It's the guy who wrote Aga. Mr.
Yes.
Aga himself.
Okay, maybe dirty is either a clean or a dirty. Oh no.
Damn, you've been a dirty data, haven't you?
Are you dirty?
You've been a dirty.
Are you dirty?
Yella, kindly kill yourself.
Always.
Um,
Just slowly.
So
Anything that interacts with dirty is dirty, probably.
yeah, so this is basically the IO class.
Sure.
So I'm gonna go to
Oh, but
my
you should
week
use do
4, and I'm gonna
notation,
say
lovely.
using the reader monad. Oh shit, not using.
No, yo, fuck that shit. I've done project. I can read do notation now.
No,
Do notation is actually really cool. I like it.
Do is
I
really
don't like it.
simple.
I don't like it.
I like it a
don't-
lot. Implementing
don't
it,
like-
however, is not fun.
I
Do
don't
is
like.
obvious.
So I don't like the fact that it just type coerces return into anything it is. Like, I get that the other notation would do it as well, but just the fact that I just say return and it just goes, oh yeah, I've got a monad here. Let me just plug it in. Like what? Hello? No help.
Or return isn't even a fucking keyword in Haskell.
Yeah, it's not a keyword. It's a function. Which I hate
It's
it.
just defined as a function.
You can my biggest gripe with fucking monads and do notation is the fact that you can write an entire thing talking about a writer monad without ever specifying the term writer anywhere. It's like your entire
No.
code block doesn't say anything about writer, and suddenly you have access to writer methods.
Yes, of
I
course.
hate it. No, I get why it works. I get how it works. I can translate do notation into non-do notation. It just hurts.
I have to say it made the parser really easy to write.
Yes. Fully agreed.
Okay, so these are all the functions that we need. I'm gonna say. Of course, I need to replace maybe dirty here by either clean or dirty. So this is clean A is equal to.
Clean FX, I guess. Clean
Clean
FA?
AF
A.
or FA. Brackets for FA, yeah.
Yeah, I think
I
bracket.
say
Yeah.
30.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Pure X
Pure
clean
clean
X.
X, yeah.
Clean X times clean Y is equal to.
No. X. Isn't it X times Y is add dirty XY, or even better, symbol is add dirty.
Yeah, that's valid. I'll do x, y is equal to add dirty x, y. In theory, I could do just without, but I want to see it work.
Yeah. Okay.
And then here, I'm saying return is pure because these things are inherently the same at this point. And then we have mx, which is a list of elements, and then f is a list of, or well, a maybe dirty, which has a function. So I think at that point
I always like to write down the definition of the arrow operator. Like I think it is an A into maybe dirty B.
So for the reader with this,
Yeah, A into reader RB. So it's an A into maybe dirty B.
so in this case
Huh.
it would be, which takes in mx, which is a maybe dirty A. The second
Yeah,
argument
and
is
then
something that
a
takes
function
A
from A
into
into
maybe dirty B into maybe dirty B, and I should like say put brackets around
yeah.
it.
Oh no. Oh, and those. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, true. No, you're right.
Okay, so
Okay.
here we have either clean A into a function is
Yeah.
equal to.
So then you so
Is it just
FA, just FA,
A? But is
and then
that
same with dirty A.
huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait.
Helps.
But
Okay.
okay, but it is already returned as a maybe dirty. Then yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna say like what about the cleanness and
Yeah.
dirtiness, but since
So
this
the thing
function
is that that's
returns
handled by
a
the
maybe
function.
dirty, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
now we add dirty, which
Do
notation to implement a function add dirty, which adds together two values and returns add a dirty if either one is input to dirty or the result is negative. Or the result is negative.
negative.
Yes, there's a negative, then it turns into dirty.
Okay. Counterpoint. Or a num A.
X, Y is equal
I should
to
have kept my mouth shut.
do.
So you can actually you can just straight up go if x lower than 0 or like
Also,
you can use if then in do notation. It's just funky.
Yes, but
sorry.
you cannot match on a constructor clean and dirty or make help function to do so.
Yeah.
But I think we should be fine.
Yeah, you can just in there straight up go if x. Well, no. So the problem is that x and y are maybe dirties.
Yeah.
So
Because x could be a negative number, and if it's a negative number, you have to flip it.
So
Wait, if
Well,
dirty
because-
minus 2, does it
wait.
mean clean
This
2
is
or
actually
not?
this is actually a great thing here because if we create a function that
Because
takes
it's
in an
helper
A and
functions,
then
though.
returns a maybe dirty, then that takes care of the flipping. So I say
We can't use helper functions though.
you
Can you
can
help a function?
you can only use help functions that match in the constructors.
Fair.
So I can say
Okay.
dirty if neg, which is of type A into, or well, it should be of type ord A num A
Or a num A.
into A
Oh.
into maybe dirty A. So then dirty if neg x is equal to, if x is less than 0, then dirty x else. Is this correct? Yes. Else clean x. Okay. In fact, that's be do notation kind of fucks with me, but it should be fine. So I should be able to say pure plus. Like this is using their notation, but it's not in do your notation yet. But I'll figure that out. Into. So can I just say? I'm gonna say MDX and MDK for maybe dirty. Can I say x is equal to MDX, y is equal to MDY? Like, does this just quote unquote unwrap them?
No. No. So
Also, may I ask a question for applicative?
so
Okay.
if you want to check, mhm.
Shouldn't I have to list out all the possible combinations instead of just doing like X and Y? I don't think you can call add dirty there, can you?
Where for applicative?
Like number 8, yeah, applicative.
Well, add
because
dirty
a
takes
dirty
care of that
takes
though.
in a dirty takes in
Is
two
it-
two mark dirties. So
The only issue
Yeah.
is that applicative, like you can only call add dirty if already endom is defined. But I guess that doesn't matter because this is. Oh fuck yeah okay. Uh, issue here is that this is a recursive call or a cyclic call.
Yeah.
So because here I'm calling add dirty. Okay, yeah, that's kind of annoying.
Yeah. So the nice thing is, if you actually do the manual implementation in applicative, then you don't have to do pattern matching in add dirty because it's done for you.
Yeah.
And then it's allowed.
Yeah.
That is
So I would
Which is
say,
allowed.
annoying and true.
Yeah.
But what?
Although
What?
it won't take care of the negative parts.
Yeah, but I can use dirty of neck for that.
True, I guess.
Hmm. But what does?
But no, I don't think you can because dirty if neg doesn't take in a maybe dirty. It takes in an A, and you can't unwrap. You can't unwrap a maybe dirty.
Yeah, fair. So this calls.
Not.
Hmm. Oh, I see. Okay. The. I don't. Yeah, this is definitely not correct. This is not what a applicative is.
I think you probably have to list everything out there, I guess.
Like in theory,
Might
if
be
I do, yeah,
easier.
I will by the way. But in theory, if I do this, this should 100% return a clean 2.
Clean 2 should be yes.
Yeah.
So therefore, if I have a clean and then a function, yes. Okay, so in this case, clean x, clean y is equal to xy. Dirty x, dirty y is equal to xy. Or, well, dirty xy, clean xy. So I think this holds now. So if I say pure plus 1, we'll get a clean plus 1. Then we get pure plus 1, or clean plus 1, star notation clean 1. We get clean plus 1, 1, which is 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this holds.
Sure.
So now I can say,
So that wouldn't be pure plus. It'd be pure plus dirty if neg x.
yes. Actually, I can
Although
create a function that
you can't
takes.
add on x and y. So yeah, my issue with this still is the fact that we do not have access. Like your MDX wrapping into X, that's nice and all. I don't think that works.
Oh,
Yeah, I agree.
I hate it.
Like
But I
we
don't
still
think
have
I
no
don't think we
way
need to
to
anymore.
get.
I don't think we need to anymore.
The fact that we don't unwrap anywhere is kind of cringe.
No, we do.
'cause
Here.
You're, so yeah, I guess you're calling dirty of neg on the, but wouldn't that be pure dirty of neg?
No, because our function, like just in our example with plus here, let me see.
I see what you're doing. Never mind,
Yeah.
it's fine. Yeah.
Pure icon type plus 1 star
But
dirty.
your notation doesn't make sense though, because you've got
We've got a function here that takes 2 numbers, just straight up numbers,
Oh, I see.
and then returns a dirty or a clean. And then we apply that to whatever's inside of this dirty, and then we apply that to whatever's inside of this dirty.
Yeah. Yeah, I see now.
My question is, does this is this do notation? Because I mean, I guess it's in a do block.
Yeah, it is do notation. It is do notation.
The question is is there a better, more do-ic way of doing it?
No.
Okay.
So the only thing that do notation does is it desugars desugars that. That's the only thing.
Yeah, that's
It
fair.
desugars that operation, and we don't use that operation.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do we not end the
Mismatch
previous
bracket?
one correctly?
Oh, no,
Are the
mismatch
brackets
bracket.
mismatched? Yeah, got it. Couldn't match A with maybe dirty A. Actual maybe dirty A.
Maybe.
In
Oh no.
an equation for add dirty.
In a
So
statement of a
add dirty
block
to
in the
cut.
expression
You dirty man.
add dirty mx is equal to do. So it's struggling with some part of this, and I don't get why. So MDX is a maybe dirty, which by this thing gets unwrapped into just an A. And this takes two numbers, and then, or well, two A's, and then creates maybe dirties out of them. So what happens if I just? Oh wait.
Maybe brackets around the pure and then the function.
I love we have 4 closing brackets.
So let's see. So what you could do is simplify this a bit, and in the line above, go func into, or so func left arrow pure yada yada yada. No, not let, brother. What the fuck are you doing? Func left arrow and then the function.
Func left arrow.
Yeah, that's how do notation works.
With pure?
Yeah. At least that
No.
will tell us which line it's on.
Hello.
Yeah, but like
Hello
this left
there.
arrow does some functor stuff or does some do notation stuff. If we just want to set it equal to, we need to say let this is.
Does that work in a fucking do block?
Let's see.
I didn't even know Haskell had a let
do
thing.
Yeah.
inside do block Haskell.
I don't think I've ever used it.
Let him do is basically call the function and set like it's
short answer, use let without in the body of a do block. So if you have a do block, let variable in expression statement.
Okay, sure, buddy. I believe you.
yeah, it's really
I
useful.
thought I saw this somewhere. Okay, let's see if this.
I used it a lot, to be honest.
Okay, so it's in the func. So what is the type of func? Just write out straight out the type, or throw it in CHCI. But I'm lazy. I'd write it out.
Actually, I will do GHCI because I want to be able to do that. So I say.
Wait, it doesn't need. Wait, let me see it. Let me see. You don't need a let there, as far as I remember. That doesn't need a let.
I think it does.
That's not what the error is about. The error is about the func types definitions.
No, but see what happens if you remove the let.
Then it doesn't compile.
Yeah, I agree that it wouldn't compile. Like this? Crazy, it doesn't compile. Perhaps you need a let in a do block. Ayo!
Yeah, no. I agree. Well, no, it was just
Okay,
for some reason
let me set up my GHCI thing again. So I need all of these. I need whatever the fucking maybe dirty is. And then I need whatever dirty is neg is. And then I need whatever this is. And then I close my block and then I get an error. Oh yeah, so this is why you put your maybe dirty class first.
Yeah.
Excuse you that I can't show. Oh, excuse that I'm not showing what I'm doing as I'm doing it, but that's because I'm copying from 2 screens and it's really fucking annoying if I would. So then yeah, this is all just valid code without any other things. Then I need a dirty of neg function, and then I need my func here. No explicit implementation for blah 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 in the. Oh, is that not what we're writing? Oh shit, I didn't use this part. I don't think it's the end of the world now, but yeah, kind of annoying. Whatever. So now I can say dot .defunc. Defunc? How can I? What is the way to get a type again in GHCI?
Golden T space, I think.
Golden defunc. Thank you. It's a into A into maybe dirty A.
So applicative f. So
Yeah. So if it was just this part, I would be happy, but it's not. For some reason, it's also this. What's this f doing?
so I mean it makes sense that it's an f because it is a function that's wrapped in an applicative.
Oh, it's a function that's wrapped in a pure because it's pure here.
Yes. So that makes
Yeah,
sense
so
because we unwrap the
I'm actually gonna
applicative function.
go a step further, remove this pure here, and then say pure func.
Pure funk.
We only got the funk, and nothing but the funk.
Funk for the whole family.
Relevant
Couldn't that-
bindings
yeah.
include A to maybe dirty A. And this is the maybe dirty
Funk's
A.
a lot for that one.
And add dirty. Okay, yeah. So
Wait, add dirty takes in a maybe. No, that makes sense.
let part 1 is equal to this. Let part 2 is equal to this. Oh, it's equal to part 1.
Over at Frank and Funky Fox. We
Part
funk
2.
all day long.
Yeah. Part 2. Okay, so
Part 2 is in
part 2.
A.
Yeah, so part 1 apparently wraps.
Return part 2.
What, brother in Christ? This is a maybe dirty, maybe dirty, maybe dirty.
Maybe dirty, maybe dirty, maybe dirty.
You're right. You're right.
So part 2 is probably a maybe dirty a, and that gets like, or part 1 is probably maybe dirty a, and calling that function wraps it again for some reason.
Why does this wrap it again though? We unwrap it and then wrap it again.
So what you could do if you want to be funky
Is it a GIF?
is make a single function that takes in 2 arguments instead of it takes in a tuple, and just call the tuple with the tuple MDI. No, that doesn't work like that. Never mind.
It wouldn't
We're using
change any.
like-
Oh no, wait, it would. It would even fuck my shit up more. Okay. Like because this nothing should change because this isn't a do block, by the way, right?
Huh?
Nothing should change because this isn't a do block, right?
The let notation shouldn't. That's just function bindings.
Yeah. So if in
Let
theory,
notation
if I
practically does like where, so that's like where blocks.
yeah, in theory, if I say this,
Part 2 where, yeah, that should be exactly the same as let notation
let's
if
see
you
it is.
put the spaces correctly.
I don't think space is required.
Ah, pog.
They're
Yeah,
just
so it's
notational.
still a maybe dirty a. So we should find out why it's a maybe dirty a. Can
What
you
happens
use
if I
GHCI
return
to
pure
check
one,
the
part 1?
pl-
Oh, but that will return a function that takes in something.
yeah.
What is the value of part 1? A into
Actual
maybe
isn't-
dirty A.
Yeah, no, so this makes
Oh wait,
sense.
yeah, okay. So we have a maybe dirty
So our
of
function
A into
that we're
maybe dirty A.
giving, that gives a dirty of neg. Yeah, so dirty of neg. The problem is that dirty of neg is returning a maybe dirty because that will get wrapped in the outside value because we have a dirty coming in from x and y, and we also have dirty coming in from
From this part.
yeah.
You're right. Damn, that makes sense. Okay.
Also, why is plus defined over maybe dirties? Like, how are we
Because
doing plus there?
it has ord comma num. So
Yeah, no, but dirty of neg x returns a maybe dirty a. How is yeah. So how is plus defined in your func? Like above there, where is func?
wait, func.
Yeah, x
Yeah.
y arrow dirty of neg x plus dirty of neg y. What's that plus? What's that doing?
Good question. They should be pure plus.
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. It shouldn't work. But I'm
Does
gonna
that
click
work
the button
like
anyway.
that?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, because you're returning pure part 1 instead of pure 2 or part 2.
Yeah, but part 2 also wouldn't work, obviously.
I agree, but worth a try.
Yeah, maybe dirty. Yeah.
Crazy. Okay, so at the very least, we now have a function that makes more sense logically. So yeah, the issue is the fact that we still have 3 maybe dirties to deal with. We've got the x and the y,
God damn it.
and so if you look at the top, like the output is still a clean or a dirty, which gets wrapped into the output of dirty of neg, which is a maybe dirty. So it makes complete sense that there's two maybe dirties wrapped on each other. The issue is, so would there be a way to do this a third, like?
Yeah, I was gonna say, we can
No,
unwrap
so
it, but would that be a helper function?
No, the inputs and outputs don't work that way. Like we still can't get outside of what we have. Like XY needs
The
to
only way I
return.
could see this working is if this function takes in a maybe dirty A and returns a maybe dirty A. But then we're pattern matching again.
Yeah. So yeah, like that.
Wait, it should
like
not
we
pattern
need
match on the
to,
constructors. So we can't pattern match on them.
or use helper function to pattern match on.
Yeah. I'm thinking, is there a way that we can extract the value from the thing without pattern matching on the constructor? Because if we have the value,
So
then
we could use an input for maybe dirty, and then in there use the applicative.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So if we
So
have
make
this,
dirty of neg takes in. Yeah, and then use applicative in here.
the question is, we would need to construct a dirty function. Well, the function would be like times 0 or times 1.
Yeah, dirty is times 1. Yeah.
But the question is, we would at some point have to match on the constructor here because we can't access this value directly.
No, so the thing is, our function gets access to the value. Like whatever function we give in, give access to the value. The problem is, how do we get that value out there? How do we get that value?
Yeah, so if we have this maybe dirty A, I don't think there's a way to get access to maybe dirty A like directly. So we would have to either use this applicative thing. Even then, like, then everything that happens within the applicative world would not affect what applicative it's written.
Yeah. Would monad ever help?
Monad?
Yeah.
No.
Because monad also unwraps a value and gives us back a maybe dirty. So I think this actually would help.
Wait, aren't we already using that? Wait, I thought we were using this. Wait, we're using this one. Huh, wait. Oh, wait. Takes in a maybe dirty A, and then calls this. Oh, this would hella help. Bro, that would hella help. Okay. So we have this function dirty of neg, which takes in an A and returns a maybe dirty A.
Yeah, that would be our F. Like we can arrow right into the dirty of neg.
So, just thinking about it logically, what would happen if I take MDX, arrow is right?
Left. It's not a monoid. It's a or it's not a monad. It's a danom.
No, it's the gonads.
The gonads, yes. Very important.
Honestly,
if I
monad
say,
does sound like a British insult.
Well,
The absolute monad.
X is equal
you
to.
do know what a gonad is, yeah, of course you do.
And then we have.
I always talk about monad, not gonad.
Yeah.
I was already
Yes,
curious why
yes,
they wanted
it
us to
does.
do like the
Monad.
MDX notation without using applicatives. Spoiler alert, because we do need to use applicatives.
Monad.
Okay, and then we say. Oh wait, no, this should be just X and Y. And then this should be processed X, and this should be processed Y.
If you say so, brother. This doesn't look right.
What does this return? This returns a maybe dirty A. Or maybe dirty,
yes.
Well, B, but in this case BSA.
Yeah.
So this will return a maybe dirty.
In this case, BSA? No, we don't have that.
So in this case, it is either, a clean A or a dirty A, depending on if it's positive or negative. That is processed X. And then we just have this function that, adds them together. But
So,
now we're
my question
double
is-
chaining these, so this should not.
And I'm also wondering, if you look at their response, it shouldn't be plus. It should be turning it into a tuple.
No. That's for if you make it a tuple.
Oh.
No, I'm gonna go. I'm
fair
gonna go a
enough.
step further. I'm gonna say this func is not required at all, and I'm gonna say pure plus.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Fuck it. Run it. Send it.
This should in theory work. God damn.
Should.
No,
Ah.
we're like
Wait,
almost there.
no, this test one. No, test one is fine. Test one just have dirty clean.
Dirty one.
You're gonna test three, right? Which is why test one failed.
Because dirty of neg disregards.
Oh yeah,
the
yeah.
input.
This shouldn't be a plus. This should be Wait, no.
No, that's right. No.
So,
Yeah, so
the
this-
thing is, processed X ignores the input, like ignores the dirty type of the input, doesn't it? Yeah, it ignores the dirty type of the input.
True. Okay, yeah.
Oh,
So we got the negative part, but we lost our whole clean, dirty.
Clean and dirty.
thing. Yeah. Okay.
maybe we can change the helper function, I guess.
No,
Would
because
there
helper
be a
function takes in
way?
number.
Oh no, but we don't want to case match, pattern match it.
Yeah, this would be very funny. So, so we have a way of combining values or combining like clean and dirty. So we would want a function which which practically ignores the input, but has the type. Yeah. So if you look at the top at the definition of applicative,
Yeah.
what would happen if your x was a was the
Dirty
identity
ID.
function?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we would want x to be ID, but we would want the dirty state to be copied over from something else.
How do we do that though?
Good question.
Magic.
We could have a clean ID times, or well, this sign.
No, a clean ID. Yeah, clean ID. No, you would want more than just that. You would want to have a clean, which takes in a value which returns a function of which returns clean times 1.
Yeah.
So because you want to chain it twice. Because chaining it once just gets you the same value. This is the identity function. Congratulations.
Yeah.
But you don't want an identity function. You want a function which allows you to combine two values. So you'd want a function which takes in two inputs. So and actually more than that, you want a function which ignores the first input and takes the second input's value. So you would want a lambda function which takes in lambda xy equals y. That's your clean ID.
Is it though?
Yeah.
Lambda xy is equal to just straight up this.
Straight up y. Yeah.
Why this?
So because if you call this function, if you make this if you make clean and this, and you call that function on one value, it will take on the dirtiness of that one value, right?
Will it?
And then if you call
Now it just
yeah.
ignored everything.
No, it doesn't. That's the whole point. If you make this clean,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
No, so it
Yeah, no,
equals
I-
clean
yeah,
and
clean
then
X,
rapid and clean. And you call that with a dirty one, it will give you a dirty function, and the one will be ignored.
What is that?
So not call directly. I mean, I don't mean call. I mean apply the applicative.
Yeah. So we have this.
Yeah, and then clean ID, and then the weird fucking star arrow or star thing, and then dirty one. A star arrow, dirty 2. Yeah, dirty 1, and then star thing, dirty 2. That should give us a dirty 2.
Okay.
And if you do clean 1, it should still give us a dirty 2. damn, I'm goaded. Crazy.
Wait.
And if you do dirty 1, clean 2, it should still give us a dirty 2.
Man is goated with a
Oh,
sauce.
okay. Now I was about to say, because right now you're just doing bullshit. But if this holds, yeah.
I'm
okay.
gaming, Jurre.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I get it. That's good.
Yeah.
So right now we get a dirty of neg only on the value.
Yeah.
But then we should have processed x is equal to clean ID times. Then we have the original input. And then we should have the dirtiness of this input and also the second value.
Yeah, there's many ways to actually use this clean ID to combine shit. You would do let clean ID as clean. No?
Yeah. Nah.
Oh, we're doing aware.
Yeah, we're doing aware.
This needs to be
I'm going to change this into a do
needs to be
notation a
moved
bit.
to do. Yeah, fair. Are we goaded or are we goaded?
It's
Okay,
goaded enough,
not
brother.
as goaded, but
It's
no,
goaded
I
enough.
want no. I'm wondering like what is going on here, because I think our combining of so we're using pure plus, so it's clean with no. Yeah, this should just work. I don't know, good enough.
They don't give answer, but I'm curious if anyone has a 100% working answer for this.
Spec this next.
Oh, these functions, they're fun.
I hate
Taking into an int, write an evaluation sequence under innermost and outermost reduction. Either valid regex system 2, pick the leftmost one, can see different important
Raid
strategies.
access.
So innermost reduction and outermost reductions are what, call by name, call by value?
I don't know. I just remember that the inner one produces first, and the outer one produces first. Ew.
This is called by name, so then it just puts the whatever is, being called into the function instead of evaluating it first. I think. Factory. Then we have factory. Or, well, 3 times factory minus 1. And because this is called by name, it is 3 times 3 minus 1 fac 3 minus 1 minus 1. Wait, does this make sense? Oh, and then times. My issue with, because this is how I think it would continue, right? I would go this and then 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, or 3 times 1 minus 1 times factory minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. My issue with this is that, there is no actual 0, so it won't pattern match on this. So if I were doing call by value, why is this,
So because it matches on it, it needs to evaluate before, it needs to know, it can't fill in the fact that it's n times fac n minus 1 without evaluating. So the step from here to the next one, or the step from the first line to the second is invalid. No, that one's valid. The step from that one to the second one is invalid. It needs to evaluate to pattern match, just straight up.
That makes sense.
So we 2 minus 1.
And then this should be 1.
Yeah. Forces to evaluate.
1 minus 1.
Yeah. 0. So that's times 1.
And then it says there are multiple things with the same equality. You do leftmost first, so I think that means we do.
Yeah, so it's 6
times
times
1
1 is 1. 6 times 1. 6.
6. Okay. My question is, does that mean there's a difference when you're doing call by name or call by value? either
I
way,
think
you're
the only difference might be the fact that it starts evaluating the leftmost.
I think the
earlier.
factor here may or may not have difference, as I would guess.
I think this
Um,
factor is the same, and the factor, and this one is different.
Wait, under innermost reduction and outermost reduction.
I mean, they ask, can you see a difference? The answer is no. Because yeah, like the thing that the only thing that I could see is the fact that like it might calculate 3 times 2 first, but I don't see that being logical.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think it will. Wait, wait, no. I think it might actually calculate 3 by. No, never mind. No, 3 by 2 is the last. No, 3 by 2 is the last because 2 is still within the bracket of the return. Like if you add the invisible bracket around fact 2, right?
Oh yeah, true.
Think about it. You add the invisible bracket here, right? So you basically still have 2 times fact 2 minus 1. So it won't be executing 3 by 2 first.
Yeah. I agree there.
So basically think about this as an invisible bracket, basically.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
Yeah, true. Calculating 3.2 in this case would never make sense.
What is 1 times 1? I wonder if it could be 1.
Yeah,
Okay,
that makes a bit more sense, I think.
yes. Question. That still doesn't change anything about like whether or not call by value and call by name does anything, right?
No, it doesn't.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Don't think it changed much.
Yeah, so I'm gonna
For
say
this one,
This is the question that takes me from a 10 to a 5 or to an 8.
call by name, call by value. Because it needs to pattern match, it has to do the same thing. I think for the second one it will. There is no difference between the two strategies. Did I have breakfast? Late breakfast in a bit. No difference between the two strategies. Because we need to pattern match on the input of the function. Okay, for 2, it's gonna be different, probably. So then we have fac quote 3, which, and we're working under call by name first, so then it just puts whatever is there in. So you have fact, so that is accum 1 3 is accum 1 or 1 times 3 3 minus 1.
Yep.
And because it's called, like, if it's called by value, we would, like, first work out this is 3 and 2. Because it's called by name, we're not going to do that. We're just going to leave it as is. No, we need to work out the right part.
No, we have to work it out. No.
You only work out the rightmost part.
Yeah, the left part's fine. Because
Yeah,
you
I
don't
guess.
match on the left part, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, so then this would be x times y, so that would be
Original x is 1 times 3 times 2, basically, yeah. 2 minus 1.
yeah, 2 minus 1. Then this becomes 1. Then this becomes
1 minus 1, I guess.
and I should, in theory, add brackets. Oh, not here yet. 1 times. And this becomes 1 times 3 times 2.
Yeah.
1 times 3 times 2 times 1. 1 times 3 times 2 times 1 of 0.
0.
And then this is just straight up.
Just return 1 times 2 is, yeah. Which is equal to 6, I guess. We can just equal to 6.
No, it's equal to 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6 times 1 is
6 times 1 equals 6.
Okay, so this is called by name. Now let's do call by value. So actually in this case, this one does not go first. First actually calculates, because at this point these two are equal significance, and it says then
Yeah.
do the leftmost one first. So this is going to be 3 times 2 minus 1, and then this is going to be 3 times 2. And then we can go to the
Oh, right. Yeah.
I'm just going to remove this, and then I'm going to say accum 3 times 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to. And again, these are both same precedents, so this becomes 6, this becomes 1, or well, 6, and this stays this. And this becomes 1. Then this becomes 6 times 1. This becomes 1 minus 1. This becomes 6 times 1, which is 6. This becomes 6 times 0, and this is 6. Can you see a difference in performance between two strategies? The number of evaluation steps or the size of the intermediate expressions. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to scroll up, I'm going to go here, I'm going to go to Notepad. I'm going to paste this in. I'm going to remove all this, remove all this, remove all this. So this is 12 lines, and this is 11 lines. Wait,
Okay.
No, this is 11 lines, this is 11 lines. So they're both the same size, but
Yeah. However,
wait, I
the
pasted the same fucking thing twice, didn't I? No, wait, I didn't.
No.
Yeah, I'm good.
so
No, it's different.
if you
No,
look
the size of the
at the
intermediate
first one,
calculation
there's
this
like
one is almost
more. Yeah, so because there's like a lot of functions in there and not values, function takes up more memory, so it's
yeah,
bigger
so I'm gonna
space.
say the amount of evaluation steps is the same, but the size of the intermediate values is bigger in call by name. I think this is always going to be the case, right? Call by name will always
Looks
have
like yeah.
yeah, it will always have bigger intermediate steps than call by value.
Yeah, because there's more functions.
Yeah.
It's just that it can like cache shit when you
Wait, but then
when you have
for the
two
first one,
functions
it's the
with the
same,
same
right?
input and
For the
output.
first one.
Hmm?
For the first one, it's the same, right? For the fact.
Yeah, for the third one it's the same.
There should be no
everything-
difference.
Yeah, because there's no difference between call by value and call by name.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because there's only one argument to the function, and we pattern match on that, so it's always
Yeah,
needs to be
so
evaluated.
we need to evaluate.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, the amount of evaluation stays, but intermediate value is bigger by call by name, and then 3 is how much you modify fact to improve performance under the lazy evaluation strategy of Haskell.
Also, do you mean the size of intermediate value?
Yeah, the size of intermediate values.
Not the side.
Oh yeah, thank you. My clown ass highlighting it like, yeah, that's what I wrote.
How did this happen?
Ja, www.internationaleclownschool.eu.
Do you still have that?
Yes,
Yes, you do.
I paid for it. The check went
Is this
through
an
like
auto renew?
yeah, the check went through like on approximately.
Wait, what's the domain name?
So it's Dutch for International Clown School. You could in English it's actually internationaleclownschool.eu. So we're training to be international e-clowns.
What did I just not listen to for a bit?
If you go to internationaleclownschool.eu, you go to the TU Delft site. I have a redirect.
Oh, that's really funny. The fact that it's e-clown
Nice.
school.
I know, right?
It's-
I
it's
wrote the name in
Dutch.
Dutch, but it's like, yeah, you know what? It also works in English. Okay.
It's-
How would you modify the definition of fact to improve its performance under a lazy evaluation strategy of Haskell? Not a clue. So Haskell, I think, is called by value and pre-calculates, or it's a combination of the two, where it also pre-calculates pre-existing computations.
Yeah, it thunks.
It dunks.
Who'd have thunk?
Yeah, who'd have thunk? The problem is with factorial, you never really thunk, do you?
Yeah. So if this was, if instead of
This is
factorial,
like-
it was Fibonacci.
Yeah, we would thunk.
Yeah.
But
I'm gonna say under.
I would say we
Haskell
can't because
is
we can't thunk.
lazy evaluation strategy of storing computed values. This cannot get faster as fuck and only calls fuck and -1, which has not been calculated before. For during this function call. If it caches values between function calls, then you could make it faster by running factorial 10,000 at the start of your program. Ayo!
Don't we like
Well, I
not
mean-
know the value of factor or 20 factorial, or was it 120 factorial?
Let's see.
Just look at, just ask algorithm design to give you, you know, a fucking memorization table.
MP hard wipe, I guess.
Yeah, fair.
Oof.
Previous line repeated 122 more times. Wait.
1,022 actually.
Why is
What?
is it
Why?
1,002
Wait,
more?
you didn't define a base case.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Oh.
If n is equal to 0, return 1.
So the problem is, this will just run. Wait, it gives the full value.
That's the full value, yeah.
I thought
Python
maybe,
doesn't give a shit.
Python.
what was the like? We didn't know.
Here's the factorial 1,000.
Look, Python does not give a shit. It will just pump the
What was
number.
let's see.
I do understand what Yellow's meaning. There's like some number that we do not know because our compute power isn't big enough.
Yeah, I thought it was.
But yeah, anyways, we're base as fuck. Next question.
Mhm.
Base.
Ooh, achtertypes in the Curry Howard. Okay, so we have if not A and not B, then not A or B. Okay, so we have an if then, which is first part into second part.
Yeah.
If not A and not B, so and is fuck. I need how can we?
So
Yes, we can. They
Ah,
give us
yes, you
shit.
can copy it here. Bottom.
So D's yes. Oh,
Yes.
oh, there's even a pair one. Oh, lovely. I was gonna copy the sign, but you can just do pair. So we have
Fucking Unicode
pair,
support.
not A, not B. I need to figure out what not is in a bit, but I'll figure that out. And then we have then
Yeah, you do
Not.
not.
either A, B.
B.
So not is. I guess. Wait. How,
Isn't it just not? Isn't it? I mean, you
How
can
do
search out
you
bring
look
the
at
slides. I think that's in slides.
yeah. So I think not something you can make with and an or.
no, there was some. It was different. Let me pull up my fucking functional programming exercises assignments. Actually, I think you should pull up your functional programming exercise. Like, this is easier than what we've done in the exercises.
Yeah, I agree. So we go to a bit of the monoid.
Agda.
After
Agda.
independent types. Or was
I'll
it?
come tomorrow again.
What?
How long is the exam again?
3 hours?
3 hours, and we're currently 2.5 hours
12.
in.
It's doable.
Ah, that'll be fine. I have time to learn an entire programming language in 3 hours.
Huh.
Classic
All of
Amund.
our Agda stuff does not have not in there.
Let's see if not is actually in Agda Harry Kurt Power thing.
Maybe not as in there, maybe? I think that's lecture. Is it a lecture? Whoa, never mind. Oh, you Korea, yeah, never mind.
Not is just.
We can encode not P as the type P implies false.
Oh, I guess.
I'm actually gonna
Okay.
go a step further and say,
Bro, Agda is scuffed.
oh no, okay, whatever. So I can say,
Yeah, Agda has a really good type system. It could use some more inbuilt types and a bit less weird Unicode.
Yeah, that would be
who the
way
fuck-
better.
Who the fuck thought, let me just actually use Unicode
Some Emacs user.
the way God intended?
Emacs user.
so yeah, so this is false. This is true, this is false. So we have either, so this is a pair of not A, not B, so not A and not B into either not A or not B, or not A or B. The fact that the not
What?
comes after, right, is so fucking annoying.
Well, have you tied it?
Hmm?
Have you tied the knot?
Okay, so wait, so now we have not A and not B implies not A and B.
So
Yeah, no, fair.
yeah, and then actually implementing it. Nice.
Yeah.
So we either implement, and by implementing it, we say we take in the input, which is a pair, or I'm gonna say my pair. And I'm gonna say taking the first one is FST my pair, which now gives me an A into bot, which is can I just say left first my pair? No, but this
No,
will
because
be.
it's a function.
Hmm?
Oh, so what you want to create is a function that gives you an either A, B into bot. So your final result will be x in lambda x, and then FST x FST x into FST my pair.
Yeah.
So FST x will be A, and you want to call left of my pair, I guess, or
Yeah, because
no, I don't even know if you need left.
no wait.
Left is for
Yeah. We get that left by. Oh, but the question is.
well, no, so if either A B, then you need left x. Left x FST my pair.
But you can't. Left x doesn't give the left of an either, right? Does it?
Left is a constructor. Oh no, yeah,
Oh,
left.
left is a function of A. No, left is a function of A into either AB, but we need to go from either AB into A, so we need to pattern match.
That's fine.
So let's pattern match on that.
Then we pattern match.
So we pattern match on this input here. So we do case x of left
Is het ook een achter?
I. Oh, dat is achter, kanker. Left I into this.
And then FSTX would just be Y my pair. Oh.
Right I into
Well, no, so
my pair.
Hmm.
So my issue with this is that we probably need to do this, honestly.
Yeah, fair. So we need cases and then two functions. Sure.
So we have cases.
So cases are X and then a function mapping A to C and a function mapping B to C.
Oh, but that's even better because we have a function that maps A to bot.
Yeah,
And we have a
because we
function
have
that
those
maps B to
pairs.
bot. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
literally
so
just cases. First my pair, second my pair, X.
I didn't know WebLab supported multi-editing.
It does. It's really fucking annoying, actually.
Lovely. S&D my pair.
Oh yeah.
And I don't know if the X comes first or last.
We'll check.
Thought it was first,
No,
but
first.
maybe I'm wrong.
I think it's first.
Okay.
Damn, look as being based.
Then if not A or B, then not A and not B. So we have.
Oh,
If.
is that the concept positive?
No,
Or is
it's
it just
the
a
reverse.
converse?
So we
So
are
if,
proving that these two things are equivalent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have the good
Either
part
A,
here is I can
basically.
take this
Yeah.
part and then an arrow and then this part. I'm probably forgetting a bunch of spaces because this thing really fucking likes spaces for some reason. But it doesn't matter. So we have as input we get my
A function that
either.
takes in either an A or an B. Oh, but that should be easy. Because this function can take in either an A or a B. So
Which function?
you want a pair. So let's create a pair, shall we? Brackets.
No, we need to do pair, not bracket. Do we?
Oh, fucking piece of shit. Yeah, pair AB. Okay, so pair. Capital P.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is. So left
Okay,
and
so-
right are lowercase, but pair isn't. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so then the first constructor will be a function from A going to bot. Luckily, we have a function that takes an either an A or a B and goes to bot. So we can just literally call my either. And then let's see. Oh, no, it's a pair of two functions. So pair and then function. So lambda x
I'm gonna say lambda A into
into my either A.
No, no. In
My either left A,
yes, my. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say
my
this is
funk.
transform func. Because it transforms from a either into a bot.
Sure, buddy.
Terrible naming.
Sure. Left A. Because it's a constructor, we can just do that.
A. B
Okay.
into
Transform funk. Right B.
right B.
Right B, I guess.
Alright. B run these.
Got that funk in him.
Not in scope bot. Bro, this is literally bot.
Import
You,
library bolt.
you typo, maybe?
How do I typo bot? Wait, did I?
No.
Not in scope
Not
bot.
a
You mean bot?
Not a scope comma bot or bot comma.
Ah, grafkanker. The comma is obviously a valid.
That doesn't need to be a comma. Pair doesn't have commas.
Just pairs, right? Yeah. Just pair
Oh
AB.
yeah, true,
Pair
true.
space A space B. So you might need brackets around the functions. I don't know. Maybe
I
I'm not smart
don't
enough.
think so. We can do that. We'll just try at least. Let's try.
You send a
We're
without
lazy.
brackets?
Sure.
I think just without bracket
Ball.
should work, to be honest. On top of my brain, I think. Set.
525.
Shit. Let's add brackets.
Yeah, let's have brackets.
That's probably a bracket, I guess.
Shit.
Nope. 25 to 21, what?
No, that's 2521 on line 5 for this line.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Oh no. Yeah.
It's line 525 to 51 in solution. So cases. Maybe brackets from the
Wait, wait, let me pop my GitHub. Wait, what is even GitHub
Maybe
weblab?
this shouldn't be
Wait.
the
So my
should be lambda
pair.
sign.
My pair, what's the input of my pair? Because so the input of the function is a pair. Can you just use FSD on pair?
I think we defined that, yes? Yeah, we do. Because pair is of type this. So FSD on this returns A. I think what our problem might be is that this is not valid notation. It should be like lambda sign.
I don't think there's a lambda sign.
They don't give one here, but like for achta lambda.
Use for the rest.
So what I'm gonna do there, I'm gonna add this x here.
I mean, sure, but they'll move the error to line 7 if that is the case.
Yes.
Nope.
Line 5.
I think it's saying something to do with cases as one with back says.
So cases takes in either a v.
Maybe first pair is not a set. No, it doesn't return a set. No, does it return a
It is
set?
X. Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't return a set. Never mind.
Yeah, so this is x. Oh, this is x.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
And then this will be our output.
Yeah.
So x is
So
either a v,
cases.
and we go.
And FST my pair is a function A into C. So what should FST my pair return? A into C? Yeah.
A and C, B and C, C.
I couldn't really see what's wrong.
Wait.
I mean, just the type checking is set failed, right? It's a set type checking failed.
I had brackets around my input for my pair, which I don't think is needed. They just have two inputs.
Yeah, true.
Let me add some more spaces because achta.
I think that's necessary. Never really had issue with that, but Bob King. I think this should compile.
Oh, super why?
So
I
like
can't
9.
wait to try to
Like
learn this
9?
language in the middle of the exam.
Right there with you. Right there with you.
Look, I'm just gonna make sure that I have every single exercise, the answer revealed, and like
Just gonna learn it on the spot, I guess.
Yes, I'm gonna do a lookup. I'm gonna do this exam by lookup.
Be careful
only.
that they might not like even if you have the answer revealed, they might not give you access to the answers.
That's why I'm
Don't get
copying
copy
them.
paste it to your own implementation. That might be-
Yeah. Fair.
I'm literally doing just a dual tab setup where for each exercise,
Hey,
I'm gonna have
hey.
one tab on the answer and one tab on the thing and just copy them over. Because fuck you, that is allowed by their own rules, baby.
Yeah, fair. So we have a pair, and the first argument is dysfunction, which goes from A to bot.
Wait, why do you remove the slash sign before the X on line 5?
Because it's on the
now,
left side.
yeah, it's no
Oh,
longer.
okay, yeah, never mind. No.
Pair A into transfer function left A. Right B. I hate one thing I hate is the fact that their error messages actually cut off short. Like there is a longer error message, we just don't get to see it.
Yeah, I think so too.
I mean, can we just run it locally? Do you have VS Code or something?
Yes, but not
Maybe
in the
imagine?
test.
Yeah.
Ah.
That,
No, we
no, we do
oh.
get it, but I also
No,
don't
we
have
don't.
it
We
set up.
do ID. We do get a VS Code ID, I think.
We do, I think, yeah, but I don't have it set up here.
Yeah.
But either. Honestly, what I always do is I throw it in ChatGPT and say, "Hey, ChatGPT, there's a type error."
Or just do it. Let's do it.
Hey, Mr. Chat Boy, why don't
Hey,
you
Mr.
talk to me?
ChatGPT, you might fix my exam for me.
Hey, talk to me like one of your French girls.
Oh shit, I need to
Ah,
verify
shit.
something.
Someone's thinking you're a robot.
Not anymore, baby. Woo!
I don't think Agda is supported, to be honest.
Not
I
in
think it's smart enough.
not in this, but it does know that whatever's here is the language I'm typing in. I'm
Have it
getting
published.
a type error in the definition of proof to explain why and fix the error.
Huh?
Huh?
It's
Where's it
talking
getting
like
a
it,
call from?
it doesn't know that transfer func is something we've already defined. Because
And
simply
that
remove
false is
the
also just not there in the code.
no, it's dumb. Never mind. Let's
Yeah,
let's
it's
look at
dumb.
this exercise. It's clowning. It's
Ach,
hallucinating.
that online.
You are the hallucinator.
I don't think there's an Ach
Is
online.
there actually Agda online compiler? Is there one? I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. There is
You're
one
kind of getting
for
started.
Haskell, but
Yeah.
So what?
Yeah.
You know what we gotta ask ChatGPT to? We gotta ask it to pretend to be on shrooms.
well, I mean it already is.
Send your After compiler.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Like I wanted to hallucinate in its hallucinations.
Nah, fuck it.
The mismatch between the expected type and the actual type. I think this is bullshit.
Yeah, it's complete bullshit.
Which is the dependent pair type with two components and functions A and B to bot respectively. The fact that there's like it says there is no no false at the end of proof to try again. No, it's bullshitting again.
It's still taking in transfer func. It's bullshitting. Let's just continue.
Why is there a
then.
comma here?
Let's have a look at the code again.
Yeah. Can wait. Ach da where.
I think there's gonna be like some small errors that we missed.
Yes, that's what I'm checking. Where func1 a is equal to
Hey.
transfer from func left a. Func2 b is equal to transform func right b. So now we have Pair func 1,
Funk 1, Funk 2.
func
One Funk 2.
Inshallah.
inshallah. Missing type signature for left hand side func. Oh. Func 1
What?
colon a
Does that work?
set. Oh, double is.
I would say let's not do this in where. Let's just do this below it because I don't think this works in where block. Let's just define these functions,
It does.
bro.
Yeah.
Also, oh, never mind. Actually, never mind.
I don't think I need to define this because it's already defined up here.
Yeah.
And then we have. So this function is going to be from A to bolt. And this function is going to be from B to bolt. On scope A.
Yeah, you need to set arrow thing. You have to use left or one arrow, not two. Like
Do I?
size one arrow.
Okay.
If you look at the top, they say use left one arrow instead of two. Maybe brackets around the A and the bot at the end. It shouldn't matter.
No, it shouldn't. I think that these are two different A's.
And then you do pair transform func. Wait, pair func 1, func 2? Doesn't that need an input? Doesn't it?
No. Pair func 1, which is this thing, func 2, which is this thing. Now it does.
I see.
On scope func 1 now. Functions don't get hoisted, cringe. The fuck does that mean? I think the issue is that they can be different A's, but even then.
No, improve to the art. Like this is. Yeah, no, I see what you're saying.
What the fuck? I don't get what's wrong with it. The issue is.
I get what's wrong with this. I don't get what's wrong with the previous thing we had.
I'd say Control C.
Yeah.
Maybe just put more spaces. Maybe
You get it.
check spaces.
Yeah. No, lambdas are correct from what I've seen. Maybe have a look at your previous exercises. See what's wrong there.
I think I accidentally make ChatGPT pretend to be like, you know, those Japanese fucking manga things who are like, oh, she's actually 1,000 years old, but like she
Oh,
looks like
no.
a 5-year-old. I think I accidentally made ChatGPT do that.
Yeah. You can use backslash instead of a lambda, yeah.
I told ChatGPT to always be wrong, so I asked how old it was.
What have you done to him?
I have.
So I do think you're right. This is valid. This is valid syntax. I don't get why
Yeah.
it's wrong.
Maybe brackets around transfer func left A. Like because everything can be a type or a name. They just need to be.
I
brackets at
really
the
hope
end.
that's not the issue. Otherwise, I'm gonna fuck up Agatha so much. Nope.
Aren't we all?
I mean, Agatha's pretty easy. I just don't get why this is not working.
Right?
He can't
So
fail.
Agatha's easy.
All
Syntax
of
is
Can you do
us.
proof 2 undefined? Can you do proof 2 is undefined?
Hmm?
Just to see if proof 1 compels.
This is when we all just say he can't fail. All of us can he?
Yes, he can, and he will.
He absolutely can. Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of the joke.
Yeah. Okay. Undefined is not a scope.
Sage.
Bear A into bolt. B into bolt. Oh, and then this also takes in a function. Thing we ignore. You are an input to a lambda function. You don't need to be in scope. Return bolt. Double punt.
I don't think what you're doing.
Set into A into bolt. Return bolt underscore is bolt. Return bolt. Return bolt. Oh yeah, course needs to be above it. There's no way this works.
Watch it work.
I've never seen it make such a sad face before.
Yeah. Honestly,
Yeah, that's new.
I'm about to make a sad face because I'm fucking done with this shit.
That's more like angry, I'd say, to be honest.
Does anyone have a working implementation of exam 16 for 2021? Curry
Q7.
Q7.
Alright, fuck it. Spec test markers completed. We win these.
Can I comment out or spoiler out an entire
Speedrun
code block?
80%. Look,
So you put-
speedrun
you put-
80%.
Okay, spec test 0 to 1 doesn't even compile. Ayo!
Oh god, fuck, we passed. We
Oh,
completed it.
This is easy. This is easy. So we have.
Yeah. I fucking love questions like these.
Yeah, I love these. These are actually fun. So we've got sum of empty list plus excess. Where's the something? Do they have sum defined here? They do. So this is just a note for me.
Comment
So
it out.
right now they have sum x colon ss, which is equal to wait.
So some empty list plus ys is the same as some empty list colon ys. Or no, it's
No, we can't do
we
this.
can't do that. No, we can't do that.
So I think we actually just evaluate this as some ys.
Can you? Oh, because empty. Yeah, okay. By definition of plus plus.
Yeah, by
Sure.
definition of plus plus. Wait. Is that the case? Let's look at plus plus first. Yes. Okay.
I don't think.
So
Oh, they even give us a
actually,
definition of plus plus.
that depends
Lovely.
on it depends on whether or not your statement is like this
Left
obviously
side or
reduces on left side, but you can also reduce on right side, and then we would need to expand this.
Yeah, which we're gonna need to do like now. Well, actually no. So I think you can then do 0 plus some ys, and then reduce 0, and then make 0 go to
Yeah, I
go
agree.
to some empty list.
I agree.
I don't know if 0 plus some ys equals. No, I think you're done. That's like,
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations, you copied the last line. I don't know if you can. If you go to.
You can add 0 to a natural number.
Is that also like in the library? If you look at library for plus.
Yeah, 0 plus m.
Yeah. Okay. Then it's fine. Everything
I love
needs
how
to
we
be like
need to-
actually word for word in the library.
Yeah, I love how we need to actually check whether or not you can add 0 to something.
Yeah.
At least they made it
1
nice
plus
by.
1.
Hmm?
1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0, obviously.
Of course. Okay, next one is
Okay, so we have sum x colon xs plus. Yeah.
do note
we
in the
have-
library there is an associativity for plus definition, so that is very nice.
Yeah. So we have
So we
this,
can rely on that.
and we also have. Do they give us a definition for this?
Yeah, not for invix, but they do give us like if you go down a bit, there's the add assoc, which you might want to find useful,
And
which is yeah. So that's associativity of plus.
that's nice. Oh yeah, I got new lines. Okay, that makes sense. So this is what I'm interested in. So I can say, my question is this equal to x colon colon xs plus plus ys? Yes, it is by definition of plus plus. Nice.
Very nice.
Oh, that's actually really good. And then we
And the real question
execute
is,
the definition of sum. So then this becomes
Yeah, so
x
the
plus
x plus some
some
xs plus
xs
y.
plus ys. Okay, and then we say, so this is a congruent cong x or y into x plus y of proof.
No.
Hmm?
I disagree. So for congruence to work, the bottom thing needs to start with x plus.
Mhm.
If
Yes,
for
I'm
congruence
not
to
done
work,
yet. I'm not done yet.
oh, there's still
So-
more. Okay, fair.
Yeah.
Sure. I thought you were setting this congruence to like the thing after it. I'm like,
No.
no.
So now we get x plus some x's plus some y's. And then I am unapply some definition. So then we get some x colon colon x's plus some y's.
Yeah, I would say this compile.
Yeah, I think this is valid.
Alright, save your test, instant W.
0.
Multiple definition of sum, previous definition at. Okay.
Yeah, remove the top part.
Oh
Remove
yeah.
or comma tonight or
Oh yeah, because I this shit valid.
brackets or spaces.
Brackets. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why is Akta so picky on brackets?
Because in theory, opening bracket s is a valid variable name.
I guess.
That is horrible.
That is horrible though, yeah, I agree.
Where
24.
Is technically open bracket a function in Acta?
Some excess? What?
In solution line 24.
Okay, but we
So
can't trust on the fact that line 24 is actually line 24.
Yeah.
Fair. Type checking access.
So type check also could mean that like the congruence is wrong. So let's check our congruence. So we're saying because we're relying on proof.
Yeah. Oh wait, don't I need to apply something to proof? Yeah.
So
There should be proof. X's y's.
sure, yeah.
X plus some x's is not equal to x of type not.
Okay.
But by proof x's y's, we get proof that this is equal to this.
Yeah, I agree. By proof x is y. Yeah, that's a good use of the induction also. So x is x plus some x is not the same as x. Where does it say that? Line 25. So
Is it
that
this
is
line?
yeah. I think it's this from the previous to that it doesn't
So we are
understand.
unapplying the sum definition. We are doing this basically.
Are they using plus plus or colon colon there?
Colon colon.
Um. Okay, I don't think it would need this, but I'm gonna be dumb anyways. Could you, in the thing, in the brackets, go Kong? Yeah, those. Okay, you go Kong lambda y into y plus some x ys, and close that, and then go raffle. So x plus some xs isn't x. I agree, it isn't. Why does it think that?
I'm so lost on Agda. Probably just gonna do the
No,
learn
like
on exam.
everything we've said so far makes sense. It's just that the error
I
does.
just don't like what we said, I guess.
Could it be
Learn by doing. Learn
could it
by
be that the
doing.
brackets of 24 are wrong? Like this closing bracket needs to be after the sum ys.
Ooh, could be.
Yeah, could do. Y is not equal to x some x's plus some y's.
Okay, so
Different
that's a
issue.
different error.
Different
Maybe-
error
So
is a
putting in
good
a bracket
error.
Maybe then
overall.
after that remove the
Wait, yeah.
brackets.
Yeah, you're right. So
The
we
best.
can't
the
suddenly
best
go
error.
willy-nilly removing brackets like that now, can we?
Look, the best error is always the one you haven't had yet.
So then we take this, and then we take this.
Actually, I think for this you need to
Oh, we
use the
might do
proof of
Asok plus.
associability of sum. So okay, in the library there is the proof by associability of plus. So add Asok.
Fuck, I hate that we actually need to use that. So that this is like Kong.
No, there's no Kong here.
Hmm?
There's no Kong here. It's just I mean you can use Kong ID, but Kong ID doesn't really do much. It's just paste in and then go x some xs some ys.
Wait, do I need to go like this?
X some xs some ys.
I did not know you could add something here that's not Kong.
You do now. Add a space after that. I don't. Yeah, I think that's necessary. W.
So the issue is that we went from this to this without explicitly proving it.
Yeah, sure did. How about a lunch break?
Oh,
Actually, first let's check Tiago's thing. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the difference between the two?
He said that.
A into F A F left A. No, we did it as well. He uses commas.
Hmm?
He uses a comma.
What?
Oh, so he doesn't go for the definition of pair use, or he doesn't go for pair using pair. Is there no construction for pair using capital P there? I don't think there is. That would explain it.
I don't think so.
I think our constructor for pair doesn't exist. Pair A B no. Yeah, let's just do the fucking bracket thingy. Let's just
Yeah.
make a pair ourselves.
Wait, it might be this. Yeah, this is the constructor for AXB.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's annoying. That's really annoying.
Yeah, so instead of pair, we need to just add brackets.
Pair is not a constructor, it's a type definition.
Yeah, sure is.
It sure is, boy.
Save your test. So
what's the issue?
Was we were using a type definition as a constructor.
Where is it, if I may ask?
So
Gone now.
we were using pair with capital P, PAER to construct a pair. You don't need to use PAER to construct a pair. You need to. I think you can probably somehow No, actually, you can't. These are still type definitions. To
Oh,
construct a
right.
pair,
Oh,
you
I
need
got
to
it.
use comma.
Oh. 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 That's stupid.
Yeah, it is.
Yuri, I'm not sure. Do you mind? But if you don't mind, do you mind send me the? Do you mind send the answer for 7 and 8 so I can just look on my own if you can?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Since is a constructor. Okay, I'll send them in the in the VC channel.
Danke.
There is no Agda fucking syntax highlighting, by the way. So
Yeah,
like,
there is. I don't think so.
Yeah, because it's just a shit language. We got like a 9.7. Good enough. Only thing. No, I don't think there's anything
enough.
fucked up actually. No, we got a 12 out of 15 on the mode. No, we didn't. We got 15 out of 15. We got a 10.
Nice.
so
Wait, did you get 15? I
Yeah,
thought you
because
got on
we
that one.
sorted, right? We
no, we got
This
11
one
out of
is
13
still
on this
not
one.
correct.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one. Yeah, fair.
Yeah, that's the only one.
We were 5 minutes over time. However, we started 5 minutes late. That's in 3 hours. That's a W.
Plus, we
Um,
spent a lot of time.
what I'm saying, boys. Lunch,
And
and
then
then this
the
exam and
one
answer.
answers. Agreed.
I mean, we
Yes.
can just do the one with answer, I guess. Do the one with answer,
Yeah,
actually.
that's what we're doing.
Yes, that's what
Yeah.
we're saying. So first
Yeah.
lunch. I'll see y'all in. What should we say?
Yeah, let's
20
say
minutes?
half an hour.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Half an hour, fine as well.
Yeah,
See you
we
in half an
we
hour.
meet at 14:30.
Sure, 14:30.
All right, I will
Yes, sir.
stop the recording and upload
So-
this.